Sixthly, the Ministry of Transport should work with the transport unions and private and public transport operators to ensure enhanced hygienic conditions in all vehicles and terminals by providing, amongst others, hand sanitizers, running water, and soap for washing of hands. And seventhly, the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development should coordinate with the metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies measures to enhance conditions of hygiene in markets across the country. Sixthly, the Ministry of Transport should work with the transport unions and private and public.
Fellow Ghanaians, I, Rebecca Kufuor, the First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, have observed with great concern the ongoing pandemic of COVID-19 and the confirmation of cases in Ghana. I would like to use this opportunity to re-emphasize the various preventive measures recommended by the Ministry of Health and urge everyone to take care of their health and that of their families by adhering to the following precautionary measures: regular and thorough washing of hands with soap and running water and use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Avoid shaking hands. Cover the mouth and nose with tissue when coughing or sneezing and dispose of the tissue immediately. Keep a distance of at least 2 meters away from a person with fever.
It's all about issue of coronavirus and abogana for us. We said relax, don't panic. Yanko Obuasi Government Hospital na yene Dr. Koju Asamwa nyako eninkomo na yenya understanding when you say Omar recorded one of the cases out of the 6 cases ewo my Ghana mo o my update kakra doctor anope yam watching.
Yeah.
The Dikaya answer crowd about the specific case. No, I say fear and panic. Is it that dangerous? I say ubi abo hunsa.
Yo, me mawatini ya busu ya funi na anso. Say waka. Say fear and panic. Ewurankuro fumu. Nampa say mituana minim. Bibi ereba na obi aka ho asem sa mesuro kakra na mom mese bose eni so obi asu asene se yende nyame ye yadom esi wo baabi nti yete wo mpopoe na yate wo mpopoe no mpanimfo de niema bebre egu kwan mu a kire se eni se yesuro te se anka oman bi a wonya ntie bi asa ade no reba no wo besuro no nti meka say fear and panic na bi ehun hia ehia de oboni be kan say level headedness so na bi ampanimfo be kan bia no ye di so na me je di say bibia betoye.
Now, Yamra over the weekend, reporter the information minister confirm Obuasi my details when involve Ama Sante region ya record ya di.
Yo, Madam Masse. Meka say, what we need to know now, it's funny say, alert, Nintino. To me, Sunny Minister can to me a recorded case back. Near then say, there will be a friend isolation. Inti Yamia Yaduma Yehu case in the Sano. Penifo de enyema gu akwan mu a onipa no asolate no metumi aka nso say ne huye if say yenka hu say enye say unya coronavirus na wayare awudampema wati owu kwanso ndi onipa no huye ehia say yebeka say kwasi na wanya ana ama na wanya ne ewu man say obi enya bi sabi onipa no nso oyeyem anga na niba iti sisia dia ehia ye titru ne se en spread enko afofo so na saa dwumadi no so na ye di hu dwuma sisia ye jedi se so bia di ne ye ka no so a ebi kura ye nya second one po ne aka se e spread
Doctor, any day mu ofri hifa na eba ne krum oba ne nchi more or less to kwan to fi hin na ba e kru ben so na obedu ye ne di nasen ansa na yehu.
Paucho me kan aka Ghana fu yen bebre no ye pe hu se pesi mensa na enya ana kwagye samwa na enya enu eremboa yen na mpo no de ayenim ni se ofi amanone enye se bi okogye nani adwumaye ena de no koi ena obedui ampa obedui no nso e so oba ni nchi a eye oboase nti obai mi ayensa kan ni se na ebie mpena odi ya ohun se no hododo no esan so yo obi a ono nso wate coronavirus dewura yerbo okrom ni ade ni nti no ono yankasa na ode no ho be kire mpanimfo se mo hwe se bibi sa wo mu ana na onye onipa oyare bia sa so yeteki sample no sani mpanimfo bi atutu kwan mu no ekoye bae na ayensa kan result na na yebo mpanimfo amane enye se yebo amane no nso yegya tu mu ye started the name to two kwemu nti bra na minister nso rehwe se ampa de ye kan no saa na ti ana na twa de abetu gba no na ya ye niema bebre nti meka se hu hia bebre nipa oye eni bebia ofi na mo ye nim se yare ne de odi fi amanone na ebae.
Okay, Majorisa no pay education okay. That means we are not interested in why and the victim necessarily, but boy and so ma or no. I think my specific question has not been answered yet. Or no contact or University of Ghana gay. You say he had contact about 107. We are contact with about how many people? What is the possibility and the chances of say ubini winya contact ubitimi enye bi my this education kakra?
Yo, me a woman say, Yamin Chade, one hour only when you contact me, the brain, no do na no. To me, the dim man penny for. Am I a contact you? Yanka, you who say, Sabian, you be only name your contact Biana, Ubena Yarini. Now, I say, a dinner could do penny for Sema. One my who can say, Yen won't casa. Nya ye kachira won ha ni se esan se uni partimenti enya contact ntino ye pese won so otwen ho kakra fi omanfo ho na ye hwe na ne wo mu ni yare ni so obi nya contact a ye di kampa ni se ye be ye mani chirechiremu na wate ne ho ase ne fe ono so be try se o ni adesi nya contact bebre ne fi ya monitor no ye di eni edi na echi a if you say un show symptoms a ehun hia kora say ye ko testify it is so far obi an show symptoms here but nipa dodo a yensa kan de obi a is under observation wo cooperative fenso a obi nkan say bi amia na me de me hunti me boama ye si yare na no nti contact no yensa kan number no enra what can say 30, but contact tracing the idea continuous. It is no 30 no crown penny food that one also hina na also only no share be a much here and a baby. Sani money na no yeshe. If he can nebusium, Ubi Becca say no be a private life. But Mecca's on your nipa sabi otte chrome na wachinchin baby chichi and crofo. Inti sankrofo na yenya wondi ni nyina so ofie eye na busuafo ofie a obia ho nkan kora eme se 14 days ni betwem na yetumi take decision bi
Absafo no pesa fe na ado afide na to ha ye ne eye Oboase Government Hospital Dr. Penia or Dr. Kodwa Samwanya ko na edin komo is in respect to among the 6 cases Ghana Bakwa ufri Asantemante more specifically Oboase and all my education any update Dr. Nidiemu say o ma after President didn't say me na tujano. What do we do as a doctor educating na my this education kakra?
Yo, me da say. Me get di say enide say radio station bia ye beti say nipa ye train won apomdin mpanimfo ene amam mpanimfo wo be my education ni bebre. Nti me advice say di kan ni say yentie di mpanimfo reka. Na to say being esan say nipa bebre afa information bebre fi internet nti nyama na ye confusion na ye basa. Enso ya tena se aboaboa no ason so a ye hu ye beboa ye wo Ghana. Enti mo bi nka se mi di minim dada. Ana makotu o ba bi se eduru wei ana bibi se na ebebo me ho ban nti. Na ye ntie ne ampanufo ne ka se ne asesi a ye riti. Na se ya apply a ebe ye adwuma. Na ansa na saa ndesi no me ka se oni be ka se social distancing. When we say president in speech, no is based on that. Say be a man watching cool baby. Na obienya bikura ababe sanye. Say niama simple niama to say. Oro bawawa I was say we tissue kata wano. Ana won sabate no akura no mu ho no. Ubawa no gu ho. Na say anko ka won sa ho kura. Say yenta ho hore yensa. Semina ene hia pa nsu a etene ni semina no ehu hia pa sin bibia sanitizer ye na mo eno no ngobra unya nsu ni semina wo horo nsa no ene bi abaka so be use sanitizer efe ade no ye nim nko a na fa ko emfa nipa wede nimu enti se wo ta de nsa kokko wani ho e wo bra wo horo ya wani ohwene ne wano e wo nso betumi afa ko na ma ye ntiatia ye nsem so hu efe ujina baby a hu nya fa ade a omanfuta asosom no wobra wo ho nsa no wo nso ubesom bia door post ne ade no eni nyina yenhwe ne yensi ho kwan ba ko so eto so ne se obi fi se ne ho dodo na enye fi anso no abetene fi diagnosis e we bi malaria we ye but modern na ko hospital ye be screening test screening no ye be hwe say wo temperature na ye bi sound sem ba ku minu bi enu be si dinai say impo ebi a wanya bi na ba ko hu be hia ne wo movement history travel history if na wo fine if na bi a be past 3-4 days wako woni obi a watu kwan bi enyankita hu bi wo kwan bi so ana ye bi sa ansem ni nya no ebeboa ma ya semu say bi a yare a wo yare no ordinary yare ana ebeye corona efe ye yasa nipa no musa no efe test ahoro no so no abaso iti ye beka no eno an se epinary koya no nchekire bebre beko wo baby a nipa atwahia especially radio yenya so na yentie yetumi nkan nyina prekopa amemi gina he but yetia na ebeye adwuma bisa na metumi aka kire osete ya.
Doctor, so be enya bia after the incubation period. Dear any day no be hu say ade we me susu say eyai bi.
Yo. Esa ne say ye ohumi mu yare nti no. Eti say pepum pepepe ana kaka ya. Eti wodi asase a ohododo wasa ohumfa obi na se wanya wasatri bowa o se umbo wa o once a wu se wuri yenya kata type of symptoms no in terminal no mampani funhwe if say beka no wuri ntumi enhu say corona no na rehase obi anso a obo wa wo ne de e wo so ba na mpani funhwe ni yeyi mu na yehu se ebeye bia na enye bi nti ahododo no ne nia ehase first na mami.
Wow, too bad. Bomo de say bit me a reconnected doctor nya kono na wo Boase Government Hospital. No my some education about a day any day na yebehu na fe so ya ma ya dwen akoso. 17 minutes past 7. The Kenyan say no panic. Mo bia panic. Yare no the surviving rate very high ibikra achiwa there are many and the higher possibility say wo hu betimi atowo yabesre Ghana for yinsusu ha yani. In fact, an opay report from KUS and say omate president directives, but staff and penny meeting. Then they know their next line of action. And yabesre, after the president has taken a decision, there are also internal arrangements that must be followed. Nothing penny for etimi edin komo. We have all the discussions that we can look at. Okoye Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM. Yenso as part of measures science the MA education no ya update you to Facebook page see egu ho chese cases ya update you nkakra ni bibia ese ubenya. Now yanko agogo Presbyterian College of Education ewo Asante Achim ra okay, the line dropped. Benyamre na yedinkomo ebekwa akwahwe the various campuses, the universities, the senior high school, the junior high schools na yetimin so nyani nyina yedi abom na yatuebo ase abobon sama hodo a etwase abobo so pacho dwenye ewe Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM mobia kumentu ye hiane se obehwe ho so yie semina brano de be horo nsa pacho ya fa sunlight semina ejane na so pa on the boy ma yin crunch nsem nyina no ye de ebrewo anopei bibia da na kwamu nyame ene hwe yen nyame na boy ho ban ene nti ehu ne niam bia ubetimi ama wakoma etu no avoid it and let's know what to do. Amen kwa huma so na mene ora Patrick Afo ochade wa Agogo Presbyterian College of Education enra and various colleges of education ebi school yes ya the for the do school and omo Asia president directive C. How is the situation at various colleges of education, specifically Asante Achim Agogo? Bema Patrick Afo ya mwache Nhyira FM
Mejuso ku fi Asante
na
what to say
nyame adom ye ho ye mo so mo ho ye de
Yes,
say the various colleges of education and run a movie.
All 46 colleges of education and students no a report here. Na say me no kata ndra edumu ehyasie efi ndambia a report here. Anopei ebimu so ayo margin say omesimu aba the sense say ende any china kono your best start lectures you be school for the second semester after the second semester no yeah EB enti senior president directive so ba ndua anajo no and say omo campus and the omo ni TV ni ade a omo
hello
okay afu jina so me okay. Doctor, any day when I kasana line drop here, nanka are there something important? Symptoms I be who say areno, be and a line drop here, but we mame na yanko.
Until the American say, about symptoms are. It's an say, or whom we are in Tino. Kitwe be a bad idea, and say, Bruni Becca when you flu like syndrome, symptoms. A year, pepun. And say, why show? If you are pepun and shati in Temba, do those honam your basabasana, why show? Yaw tia yaw. It will be Yakata, woman, a becosro, as a years. And Fahun say, Unimusu and soon. Sabre, my wagon and brass say, a bit to me, aye, be this. Now, you now obey Sisujin, I say. Coronavirus. In terminal, now what you have upon the and yes, Obeko Kesibu, ye train you be the initial signs and symptoms. It so when you kata beer of any sort, and I say, rich affair. Now, why Ed go and terminal bow and I young Casa Ibehu na Ipeyasa Muse a corona nibi and I am football.
Anta yati krum ha boya wadada yati krum ha code ne distance achi dada nti si ade ebia betima ebia na
when Americano bebre no enye bi nanso ka se wo betwen ma fe akosi bebi aye din dia nyema mienu na ebesi o na se mu be ye din a fe wan hwe ya de wo be ko hospital yan kai se won a wonya ni bebre ho ahia se wo ko hospital ye be kyerɛkyerɛ ma watena fie wo mfa ho mba nipa ho bebre enti sa wo retwen ma wawo no wat akoye kese ansa ebe hawo nti sisi ade emfa ne se wawo bia ho yehu pepu bia ho yehu ahodudu bia nso saa na ehu na odi aba hospital
survival rate se eka obi a se ne ho beto no a onwu etesen
survival rate no etunu penimfo de na etunu mo Friday but member no to fanka say ye yare a very high survival rate o hwe say sisi a na kanto 150 ni tenye ntwa mu poya na won a won pimu no yakọ 6,000 to say na mo bebre no won immunity weapon mpanyinfo nti chesemfa so won di titi record no won dey ni say wodi di agrokra because won na etumi edan pneumonia no efi obia ni immunity ana na hoden no so ato wo kwan bi so ebi a eduru orefa ana yare bi de dawa wo ho nti saa nipa no ebetumi no mo na dodo na won what won said then ni boni beka say pre-existing condition bi ebeboa ma yare no akosoro ne de enya won a e dey say wanya pepu ya na malaria bi wo hwa acha no na wotwe abien obesori agina bebre survive after 6 weeks up to 6 weeks. The survival rate is very, very, very high. But the two bibi to say Ebola ho. Uni nipa kakra bi na Ebola to bebre we. We so dey me no ka say over 80,000 people wo ho atowon ana wan anyare kura asesi a ye ka say ebi akofie ebi nso wo dan mu a wo ho retowon ba. Nti me mo manfo mbohu. Survival rate is very, very high. The entire obinya ye pese ye ni dinachi no enye owu a obewu nti na mo sane e be ya on spreading
mfansa nkofo
ye if you say ye can say survival rate ni high no effectivity no see very high yare a obinya ya otumi de san obi.
Okay, doctor say see aye wo hay me abetima hospital say me mbowo metima hospital say mon check say menya bia
there be na other na bosan pa no kra ma wo se a hu hwin ya wide me ya wasa wo ye ne se ubue waso na utie afutu na yere mani nyina na se wunya symptoms no kra nso a ye mfa wo moja nko cheke
okay
no de ye wo temperature ene nsem bi sane ade bi ebi aye tie okuko sane ma no pe na ye beye ebeye bi ana elin ye bi nti wa wa yare ana wa show science ni pe na ye fa wo moja to test.
Okay. That was pa that was bibi ni ebe san so atonsa edia from 26 minutes past 7 abusan for yenko na yenkonko wie ora afọ Patrick Mr. Patrick media na ye ne doctor ewie yenkomo enti anopempa tradition for nyina amoko efia na
sabi de omo report no ọmụ ankasa entu enso ọmụ enkofi enti emse nsisiemu no mpenifo bishia ende na directisa ebeba se ọmụ bekofi no ya di amomo enti sadre mi no kase de esuafo bi enenam ebi mu ate enti ama ehu so abodinu mu ache se ọmụ nya nka ọmụ bekofi but said in being kind no unya report you dia answer no be question say unya permission and answer the visa enti yeguso and pay afina ya sorry a ye say 24 bisia na ntutu bia o bia say omo ye no omo aye the school fund there ebi wo ha a say hu abobi no nti say ebia obedini ba ku bi bakasa na omo so ache omo bobia wo asema abe ho a.
Okay, me just a quick one. My name of friend baby in Komo. So omo scared with someone who I echo. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
But when I'm in a saying, okay, we are student, right? Okay, for the purpose of the discussion, into my friend Wajua, more dance is here, more coffee.
For now, no day, who near a binom, I imagine some the coffee, because a binom share chichi and a buyer. This is no, you entry, say, in permission, say, the young coffee and other things. Yes, I am who, this is on the court, this is. Omo chain kaka for
ante mo no free him fa mo free him na da be na mo ba campus
so enra na e report e
ante wo free him na buy
ini so bo ase
okay hey wo free obo ase I see and I see and what level say
so mo level 1.
Oh, I see. I see. And but munya directive via from school. Tizi am I stranded, right?
Passionally. This is na mi hunya ye bag boy ho.
The addition for the mushi jama seja enra other campus shi jama say yama anyway. I wish you all the best. Mijiri sempani for communicate na bibia ni a ebema update. 28 minutes past 7. Asante achim agogo Presbyterian College of Education and amotesi any addition for ni acheche bi edin komono. Abisanfo mu bia nsuro yambe hwene ma de hia ne so be ya hwe yie na waba ho ban enti me da me ho abasisi a na fe yatimi enyamre edin kobo mo fidie no en ha ye be ko boase krunim adis wana temamfo ehu abo mo ana ye ne KUS edin kobo ne university relation officer edi atudwa ne say as we speak today university authorities ebeye meeting for further directives after the president orders and inti omunyan take any final decision enti ma addition for no ubia enye any decision on take decision on their own you know and someone the investor relation office they ababetu enim but after that's why Barclays and Barclays is after because one in Nhyira we are any of our branches and I'll be my friend 0302 429150 na bibia timi akoso.
Sixthly, the Ministry of Transport should work with the transport unions and private and public transport operators to ensure enhanced hygienic conditions in all vehicles and terminals by providing, amongst others, hand sanitizers, running water, and soap for washing of hands. And seventhly, the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development should coordinate with the metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies measures to enhance conditions of hygiene in markets across the country. Fourthly, businesses and other workplaces can continue to operate but should observe prescribed social distancing between patrons and staff. Fifthly, establishments such as supermarkets, shopping malls, restaurants, nightclubs, hotels, and drinking spots should observe enhanced hygiene procedures by providing, amongst others, hand sanitizers, running water, and soap for washing of hands. Public education is being intensified to ensure that citizens are well advised on preventive measures. Earlier today, Sunday, the 15th of March, 2020, I chaired a meeting of the Interministerial Committee on Coronavirus Response. After deliberations, I've decided, in the interest of public safety and the protection of our population, to review the public gathering advisories earlier announced as follows. Firstly, all public gatherings, including conferences, workshops, funerals, festivals, political rallies, sporting events, and religious events such as services in churches and mosques have been suspended for the next 4 weeks. Private burials are permitted, but with limited numbers, not exceeding 25 in attendance. Secondly, all universities, senior high schools, and basic schools, i.e. public and private schools, will be closed Monday, 16th of March, 2020, till further notice. The Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Communication, has been tasked to roll out distance learning programs. However, BECE and WASI candidates will be allowed to attend school to prepare for their examinations, but with the prescribed social distancing protocols.
Fellow Ghanaians, I, Rebecca Akufo-Addo, the First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, have observed with great concern the ongoing pandemic of COVID-19 and the confirmation of cases in Ghana. I would like to use this opportunity to re-emphasize the various preventive measures recommended by the Ministry of Health and urge everyone to take care of their health and that of their families by adhering to the following precautionary measures. Regular and thorough washing of hands with soap and running water and use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Avoid shaking hands. Cover the mouth and nose with tissue when coughing or sneezing and dispose of the tissue immediately. Keep a distance of at least 2 meters away from a person with fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. It is advisable to be physically active, drink plenty of water, eat healthy, avoid stress, and have enough sleep. Stay home if you feel unwell with symptoms of fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, and call the following numbers immediately: 050-949-7700 and 055-843-9868. Thank you.
State in charge of national security. He is with us. Dr. Mrs. Martha Jansalutrot is the acting chief director at the Ministry of Health. Dr. Da Costa Boaje is Director of Health Promotion at the Ghana Health Service. Dr. Anthony Nsiasari is a presidential advisor on health at the Office of the President. Dr. Bedu Akode, who is here with me and will be doing the first part of the brief, is a director of public health at the Ghana Health Service. Dr. Sally Ann Hine is with the World Health Organization. Dr. Nima Kimambo is the WHO representative in Ghana. Dr. Siedu Bequin is head of DSD at the Ghana Health Service. Dr. Patrick Abuaji is the Director General of the Ghana Health Service. The Honorable Ban is the Deputy Minister responsible for health. I would acknowledge some other persons from surveillance and other pieces as we go along. The Honorable Deputy Minister for Information, Honorable Pius Sam Hajide, is also here with us this afternoon. This afternoon's brief is in 4 parts. First, Dr. Bedu Sarkodie will give us a brief on the index cases that were announced on Thursday night and the contact tracing that were announced to be commencing at that time. He would also give us an update on whether or not there are any new cases here in Ghana. Then Dr. Patrick Abuaji will join us with some announcements to read through what they call the triage protocols in all the hospitals and clinics across the country. It's very important, particularly for health care workers across the country. He will reiterate those protocols. The government of Ghana will this afternoon issue a travel advisory, a very important travel advisory, a public gathering advisory, an update on public education, and a media advisory, which I will do later. And then the Honorable Deputy Minister for Health will wrap it up for us with some comments from the ministry that is leading this agenda. That is the ministry responsible for health. So please join me to welcome Dr. Bedu Sarkodie.
Thanks much, Honorable Minister. Your Honor, Ministers of State, heads of agencies, our partners, I can see WHO here, friends from the media, Ghanaians. I provide this date as a follow-up of the press brief by the Minister of Health and Information that announced the first 2 confirmed COVID-19 cases and consequently declared the outbreak in Ghana on the 12th of
Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Okay, 43 minutes past 7, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Etiefo anope bambo nhihye bay ede ahodaso na wo ye. Mamemu akwanya na yini nkomo, o ma eco school, o ma anko. President Ediditis Aba dear na one kasa nso oye na hwe yi nhihye ben na odi atudwa 03220 83581 03220 83582 esrubia ba mu anase sen papa bremu na fe yenkwatifo nso ho na ye no nkonkodi nkomo
Well, I don't know about my initiative your phone and pay. Inche stand listeners, chairman age no money, no we no yuko wasu na kufu mobia to make us go pap. Omu na kufu mobia to momu ATB. Echa driver for no bia. Kofi Asante first make chire Ghana for nyina say obia remain calm. Kofi humbatenyu.
Okay.
What you say? Enti memu bia mu sa the most important thing that could also be observed one case of personal security and personal hygiene. Said the coffee education we the mama especially so be was shown sa because coffee the mode of spread now be likely say what don't sabe ku woni man asa ohwenim kofati ase and most of out of what our ron sa e bia won ante kakra hunde ni wakwa ron sa what you say be obo wa bebre ni ade and you observe some of this fever, dry throat, sore throat, pneumonia, bine, COVID kitty bia. I also quickly do to me report to the nearest hospital. I said, what about self quarantine? No afraid the necessary numbers last in the 2 be. Kufu friend one say be a baby for no ya corner ya test. I say, oh, be then Kofi even though the observation or more be countries or be also no a patch said or more tough to mute will pay from 60 70 years and above. I'm not sure countries or more wooden nano just a more new system and Kofi because I which crano and memobia mohu of what I say and now observe the necessary a year that Kofi President Kufado said na Kofi expect such an announcement.
Yeah.
Inti me nre ba no Kofi anyam nwanwa. Na minim say people are expecting say some of these measures Kofi be put in place. Kofi simple directives. I expect will be as a Kofi you be observe it, especially churches. One man churches Kofi me repeat it. One man churches no. Omona Kofi si anhwe ni ya go minim say Roman Catholic, Methodist, Presby, those Orthodox churches now Kofi well organized no. I mean those things Roman Catholic before you issue statement about 2 weeks ago. What you say?
About in terms of communion
so these are well organized churches like Methodist Church. I mean so these churches minimum say they are going to observe it. But for the one man churches any and offices when you come and turn oil be wakra with niman kitigiti ni koko ni ade no ni should be want to me and ton akofisa or shorty and it's very careful and minim de if indeed the president Emma directives nas obi ebuso akofi o mra bi wo wa e betuni na dia ye ko se bi an so bi ya sori a e betumi arrest no and e betumi achina na say the be ya Kofi be serve as a deterrent yen ka say bi o me na dem ho president ne ye nya bi ni ade ade a ye be call sorry Kofi ye see a Christopher ye Christian ye Christopher o se tumi bumra and ye see ti dumra so e be ka so ate ase enti one man churches ye nyom be say observe the president directives schools nyina Kofi no pena me fiam asante mampo na meba. Normally, over early morning, Sabu says school for na car kwan ho a chese mo school bus be pick up money ade. But me benjina you could see say between 10 o'clock 10 p.m. clump up to morning, you know, to say comfort me ati. Asem no a chese school for na
radio TV.
Oh yes, amunyina a chese mo ofie ne ade. Kofi university ahodo private and anopem say na o come dey say no mo kushia na
and KUS in so is meeting and taking because apart from say President Amada there are internal arrangements
exactly
to ABI or MSMs brebe na moba what are the arrangement or there's a general need say the various institutions internally ebe take on a decision
yes
in federals to the president directive
exactly
and yes ebia president Amada directive and one say no there should be procedure
exactly
they communicate okay say na president aka ye muso you have no right to be buso but that is it and
exactly
it should be well
because now to take best to miss them within this week up to next week and what they are saying
it is as a muko breaking as a one meeting these things are very important
yes but Kofi when you some of the students are jubilating
yes and I saw this one for there
I mean fine but don't forget so Kofi we dey ya so we Kofi you close to 1 month to cry when you come and you come right
I say
whether you jubilate you don't jubilate you come back and come right but Kofi the most important say be of this observant na nyina ya be dimra so say be ya Kofi yam country adwumi say ade president nyina is to stop the spreading of the disease of the virus. Because what you say, all these protocols and mommy in say be yare no Kofi and spread it. Intinye bibia because the more we gather, the more we share na more.
It's a very serious question. I think say, what about prisons?
Prisons. Cattle visit to prisons.
To prisons.
Yes, the prisons. That is it. What you say, henceforth no, you move your be prison. But Kofi, I could be saying if say are win by April 18th na electoral commission say on ba be nomination on ba be registration no say e kodru na say still go see spread ya you be this biometric registration na so no se be do president babeka say bia ya suspense ya cancel because per the calendar na call from 18th of April on he started this registration exercise compilation. But for gathering of yes up to 4 weeks, no one should be April 10th for baby. What you say? Because I know a 15th. So if about 4 weeks, I mean it's by 14th April, no, or to me, sir, observation never baby. Now say we do us still spread, no good spread, yeah. 18th of April 9, letter commission say back get queue. Actually different for no government so and I say be suspend but we are yet to see but
0322083581 032220 and pay me who for fears and so position e won here akoso nyina mama informative for na ye no nin komo. Hello, good morning.
Hello, Adriana Bas.
Yeah, when you
Adriana Bas are be ni o mi di opiem what say there.
Asari be ma minti o.
Ediana ba me for fi di kesi we so na me nchia me na adwubike na me nchia ndisi for mpani for a wo magibra o muti o program Ediana ba as the president akasa ye dana se na afutuo bia ni ho a e che se December 18th April ye kwa ko salary na ya kwa ko trading obe suspend sa register ya akoyi because baby ye kwa ko trading o ti yanti ya hu full public gathering and Ediana ba ne sa no work na unkohwe enipadoma ye kwa salary na ye ko trade ni ade a neze na nado dan ko kufado se papa wo so odwene Ghana for ho dia ene ye no no suspend it because a hono na ko fa sa oyo ne ya de kakaka yi nyina ba eti president yesre no what we for but afutuo bia ni ho a che se 18th April so suspend it sa new register no e bia na ba mami ko no
Berasian father na scholar. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Solomon here. And already a chance 17 of do. And from Poma Sassu say watch among the Janov. My memo abaso, only papa. Now you're more the president of the land. You're more papa abaso. Say papa in a mount for home. Say the beer idiot movie brain. It's a spending in a say yenye a city and farmer on my penny. Nenye city and farmer yan and cafe home because you're not a baron. Enye yare ketwa enti ebese se yenti o mampanyini no na se ye suspended na se na papa can say within 1 month no falling e bia ye ma me je mention say obey new register no na se ntimi anko register me say na ebeto so sa ma abato so ye ntimi nko sala nko to aba ene president obeko so church 4 years na sa kan ko pem say ye de no beti Ghana akora enya beto yen fankebu atuma go beja of Moses.
Okay, my main father next caller. Hello, good morning.
Hello?
Yeah, when you? Hey, Joso.
From Hamza. You can tell me.
I'm into you.
I'm in your power. I'm in China. Chama 1. You'll be a young can of power. Kofi, do tell me another for 7 previous. I am in Kakra. Yeah? Kofi, now we are dear see walking Tampo Quanaso. King Tampo Quanaso, a dear didn't see Honum. Nipa who said your friend 7 previous and a number. And Nuna, Oman Penny, anybody pray. Me madam will be the parents in Italy. Why a voice message be blaming? Was he? I don't know. I have Brofono and the team when I have black CD. You're the insurance me at all. And to me, not for the present. As the tenants or Quasun and Nipe Wono, I know my head be a word, but I have your idea. Maybe a short time, Yadia Braxano, to me.
Okay, Mammy Fa Afro. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, when you?
Me bato sakudi ni midodu jangoba.
Okay.
Amentia doctor se wa donko na doctor kinsinya ko kwada so. Ebiana ba na mi busa me ho se emse Ghana ye ti se Ebola e ba no. Msa brofi ma former president mama $60 million. Nti mi busa se sika no. Na ye se this Ebola center. Nti mo na mo yan central Ebola center Ghana is yan case so yare ko binya bia.
Asante region omode Atunsu Government Hospital go as a center coronavirus so ho regional health in terms of all regional health hospitals in Nano ho centers
no any area about the memo ma panyin na dan ko akufo ado abaso sanse wo hwese wo gene ne mam for ho no bi ka se
because of coronavirus and now COVID-19 in the young Twaba, young trading and I'm a new Takonade. Santi you could trade the Diana young bomb piece. We are the polling station, Bia and Quest Ghana Cardinal. The polling station, Bia, you want to buy, we are now with Trivia.
Okay, I am for hello, good morning. Yeah, Minia.
But on open today.
I don't any experience.
Wadaroma, we Peter, do up your motor to quit on a walk on your said you man Pesiaso. No pay. I read man or be it was the Tafopancono, Mamenciano. Now, Adianaba, no question is say, Taya ba, Yenina, Yen Gani, that's what be the politics are. 10 Paquan and Wayan Memoa. Many times I said, yes, maybe before, on T say, Ite, Ekum, Ghana, Nibuana. One year bibini. And now, sir, Legon, and the player when you Legon student, yeah, when you be. 1 year bibini. 1 year Ghana, I will free her quaman on it, and Oga Fabiaba. What I said, I did not know any man this ni, any NPP ni, Nankam, Takau Busiania, a couple overboard some man and Nekufado. Say all close churches, no other universities, no schools, no. Say, baby, you this year, Mubiano. Yes, for now, you be close to now. You know, by every area. No, what does it? My young fan, politics cry, your man and Abaso, Jenny Ghana for your and a papano, and now a year, no. Young Nayan so. Namimo Mepesa, other churches, no. Young fan share. And 2 almost to say why you been say what Busubiano, I see a true Coco Jacob was me themselves, sorry, be a buso because of one correction. Any woman scabia almost air panel.
Okay, that's it. My young father, next caller. Hello, good morning.
Ediana Bago Fiatante, Nabom Tisele.
Yamiadum.
Whether Yamiasa, radio, or Gowlin, the Dodon carrier. Now, Kofi Memo Bassone, Jumadia Bomas at Manicana Mine. Dr. S.K. Niama, a quad swampi, and one about system and 10, and I Robert Amakalesi, Kumawampi, our Buffalo, Don Kumasi, just swampi about for. No, Kofi, a good Tambia, I am a moment of fun, never being a politics. Oh, Massa, Saya Lewia at Chiatisino, and the Pietro Ghana. There was some nation, ye papa, a boss body and my rather Kufado. As one nimping for their name, a poor Saya Lewia, one image on. Now, maybe and 2 other. One image say, a lady, 2 near Pia now, here and now, Papa, now, Manibia. But don't say the sofa so steer. It may catch a Ghana for say, we never see a young found registration, you know, in term, and one, you can't see a registration with the then you about 1 young Cotona pay. None of 1 here, edit the force with here. Mama, you're not any politics. Rasmuba like a 1 year who did your politics, not the other new way. I need to afford their politics in the Ghana focus your to Obama, don't do a man, Mamma Bimu. Because if you want, you know, you hope a papa be a Mamma Bomo, my Ghana. Lord, you Lanza, I have to hope I'm for a while, you're a journalist.
Okay, my own father, next caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, Minia Beni.
It's a coffee venue.
Okay.
Never mention I'm Papa. And multimedia phone and I'm sure you give us MP. And Dr. Sawadonko, Tafon Panko. Again, I can't make answer, and I don't call Kufado. When you're president, or TV and Ocas won't you be out. And now Kufado about the Emma Ghana for. I didn't know say Ghana for say Ghana for some here. Because so here near me, Cosso, Mamma and so. I am big bad what the Baby Airport to say, was say, Nameboa. On the 18th, I said, April, Yankee. Remember, 1 million about Kuchim, say, many answer for the answer, you say. And now they say, the Jacoba Pisu. Police station A and B C. Every police station be our the biometric device, your man, Oka Uncle Bon Peso. If you best say, you're police for no more class, the dinner. Oh, say, or more class, or Mujaji, a Labio. And to also give a Diana, a bind, Nana Doko Kufado, Kafa. Quebec say, say, hand sanitizer, Obi Antobino, Obi Antonio Dinaba. He said the boy had dinner 2 cities. It's only somebody give 151 there. Do you have Mukran Wato? The best say any animal say, or more Fabronia on Yako say, so boom, you'll be one of our cast video film. Send a bear, you neighbor now because so what now? China, meeting Mamma Metubi. Could you back again?
Okay, Coffee Medas, father, next caller. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Minia. Yankupo is a power so for Ramsey. But so,
or the golden city of Blue Region, Pekum. Janaba, some person Ghana, my, and as Santima Dace, it's Yabadawase, a Ghana man, baby, why? Mentia me, I'm a young cone, I know which ones are winning to get a comfort. Janaba, Papa can save in any argument. Who better you? But a foot to come or Jenny Ghana and Nibias overbought by you. Because, again, my idea will unifically, only but a foot to come one man catches. So the president, the car says, some record, he said, I'm about to have a Tracy, and I'm going to see a more see. In Quebec, one man catches for them, say, almost some day, or Mama, I saw no, and not at the very bill. Again, this year, intimate structure coming 18th April, registration that because you bet you I'm a Ghana actually dinner, Venezuela, Ghana, pan, as for Babako, a president, and we did him a process, some Paranado also Ghana, coming 7 December, Ghana, that's another one, when you who call in Ghana.
Okay, and for the next caller, hello, good morning.
I didn't see any Thomas of your water.
Amos Mensa.
Just fight for that. Papa, let me do.
Amos, Yamishro.
Papa, let me show you. Papa, and somehow, and some fat, Messer, Mother Debbie, I am Bible.
Amos, line in yet. I'm sorry.
Papa, fetch me.
Okay.
Messer, over the we. Na sabi ni pardomo nshie mu no papa yehwe hu yi ho the president dey tika no yehwe se na be ya asore sabi yenkwohie bebe na emfa nsem ba na yehwe hu si ye o ba bia nyame nka mo bebe.
Okay, so yemfa last 2 callers. Hello, good morning.
Diana Bakofi Asante.
Yeah.
Hey. Diana ba me na maba no.
Nsem hu sesi awo na sesi ade me hu ba bia giranti. Wa we lewen bodyguard. Onso a ba ko ade ne ko nka akodi MP wa me amfa no. Ntezi aza ugina bia kra me hu ba bia wo. Me hu yi me nua.
Diana ba.
Look mama me ntie o.
Ube. Why? Me tia papa na ma tia better paso. Na me fan tia yi mo de fama adle ajiwa aha uko shita kwa ma peposfa. Team adlaje wenti isuta kwa mabe boso MP de ne bafo froka no ne case le nyako K4K so mechian Diana ba ya na aba no enka no na menyu Gan hasi no isa de me se mewa uhu ade no se de problem sitie na ade no edu ni to ni yeah nura me case edu ni to sia na the ade no do na Mr. Kusibu afo wo se baby I don't know do adwa from people breme adena eni eden eni so nyan na no kwase ni say mo meye nyina asede mo mpanyina kana me no mo mpanyina ya adwene 100% na ya man ko fo bi kika de ade ko akoya amanyosem
ever last caller. Look my ever last caller na everedo nyamre interact hello good morning.
Diana Bakofi Asante.
Yeah, minia.
Diana Basundi income.
Uncle so bro.
The fair Mama Linda Kwano is sexual.
Mami tio.
Mami tia Bantam constituency executive. It's for a time and some at least Yamisha. Diana Ba. Diana Union be a cancer. A man church is here, I can. Into a man penima does no be any sua. Anything. Ta adia we are air cost a mini hams ababa catcher say. Yare we intimate before no. Yare enka Ghana ni. Diana Ba. Ghana ni na se o won kran na kere. Sa yare enka no. Oh, ti adibi ona se ba ni e kan bi ma fa no politics. Ya de bia no se de politics e de e ko hu. Na do man ni hwe accident ntisi akonja na do na e driver ni otisi anim. Ama driver ni overtaking na so wrong overtaking na do na e man kwa so ni so overtaking na. Enti na mebe ona si e kana si afan si ofne be politics bia. Na me ni nukrani ta April 18th. Registration no NBC force wo mu de mu nkotra. Na to me Ghana for na te Ghana for se be kwa kotra. Omko ma no ntu e be kwa kotra. Took mine.
Okay. 4 minutes past 8, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM.
Kofi, let's clear this notion.
Yeah.
So the bear and spreading because scientifically or medically,
there's no proof that
BBB exists. But just that maybe black
whites and blacks.
In any case, Kofi population or more don't say dorsal. Probably someone being that white and blacks. Be no more Italy, no. Omedo was saying, quite a dorsal. When they probably say white many be
as I play a so or black.
Yes, you know, though, yes,
Juventus player now, Monamokas or Yabino. Why? So one player be footballer be at the international scene when you be. I know, but one of them is black. One of them is black. Anyway,
or your loyal listener to Kuro Yi Mu Nsem.
Okay.
Or Macro. Okay. When Kuro Yi Mu Nsem
Macro.
Kumase Macro ya.
Na kuyo Macro mi nuna wa. Ya waso ame Macro we bua kwa Macro.
Okay, Macro be be so ame Macro.
Oh, okay. I'm fire crado. I'm on for Benyamra and I didn't come on Mommy Kakra and then the studio Benya a health aspect. I have a serious education over this the spread of coronavirus and so and I Benyamra na didn't come on other issues. But Sabedi I'm for ne quiet crado. I'm on for Bibi Aboko.
Oh sure, absolutely. For sure.
But you are fit. I mean,
oh yeah, Ragovi, me who did oh sure. Sure.
And Rana me can say ABC and there but ebe can't for we but nyame everyone in Mahuba.
Exactly.
And the race is not for the swift, neither bread for the eater. Time and chance happens to them all.
Exactly.
And yet they are who are doing and I do nimrika to and a big kind. I don't need Jana and Cassandra Shenema. And yet you nim who see you share. And then yet dear word Jerusalem could be named yet dear word spirit. No. It's just the grace of God.
Come off.
Because the vice president nominate prime ministers no way can one and far more she ya bear will cream or Sabekan because
I don't for that one I don't agree with you. I will never agree with you.
You can never be careful that
you must also be observe personal hygiene.
No, personal hygiene is important.
The grace I don't know. I don't want to dispute.
It's like you are driving.
No,
and far careful. Fine, but
so are you telling me the seat belt and airbags are not necessary?
So I know somebody.
Those things is I don't want to link.
We are not linking
to something.
No. Papa, we are encouraging but abamboni nyina echi a wo bo no senyame amo ho ban a there's no bambo for better than the entity that is what we are talking about.
No, but
obi amon ho ban obi anya careful
so much.
No, we are not distancing anything
from personal hygiene.
No, Papa, you are also you are also getting it wrong. What I'm saying
is getting it wrong.
But ho ban
person created that notion.
There's no notion here.
Papa,
there's no notion here. No. Nobody is discouraging personal hygiene. We are calling everybody to protect. But what is it? In as much as we ho ban obey us personal hygiene, no nyame adom and the bambo do so chenyina, and I think that is the major important thing. Amanfo ye ni nkomo. No.
You your #1 Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM edit the most educative radio sports show at the Ebramo Efri Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pausima aduana Ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pausima aduana Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa Ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na yede memeda de no so ede asomo so don hwere miensa ena memeda bia yetena se free anopa nonkono Ekosi ewia dumienu jumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne yabo no ayede eba e jumade me de bright kan kambodu
kwabena open FA OB twice
happen under Jose, this can't happen under Carlo, this can't happen under Pep.
Bismarck also Bempa Ayala.
The motive of Ghana football and the bigger interest and I say body abo
Christian do say
what he said on the premise in also just the boss was that is on Kobe. Yes,
amana nsem no eba na Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and na Najman Pomodia said the bia o misses our program way na the global show.
Abiwa news na mitie
asem wo ho me se me dia sam nam police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bobema na guso hey
adai
eya benwa ha
soko
abenwa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensam ahodo a eba so no ene enya abotatwitwa ne nkakra ede bro eno ti hia ye memre da bia ebra dumienu abob ere kwapem se dumienu bebo apan mu ensam a wo bete no ebi areho
akramani gina me ba ne ho eta feeling moja na me ai na mkache mama sema kana mai na kumiba no
ebi so asere
na o me ma o stars ahodo de bi she
bajai
sa stars dey pa na no de ma what him says or they are more wa feel pa
dise mi kuntuno
abe soko
Abiwa news na mitie
asem
Insure 104.5 Yawazoye anything na yede obra at 1 eba wonchen ye from your sofu nearby efe amano obetumi from a lady amano mayenhia fidwada kwesi efiada obra at 1 p.m. pepepe enchechire bebrewom adesua ewom ememme nsu emma esu enkwada esre ye tua school fees ne ye hwe bia yaresa na ye bo bi emomo nya adwuma ehaw be na awom mayenhia 1 p.m. debiarada edwada kwesi efiada
manu prayer back pe muni be mate ho wo sis de si ye nyina no wamba hospital ni buofu de wo ko ya wo se e Canada wo ye nwie wo sa kwone na sa kwatrase o wie ye now ama na sa anyi mu biem wo ba ya wo kan nyina wanka ma na no kra mentese wo mensia e ye feeling so
Insure 104.5 Yawazoye anything na yede obra at 1
transport. Sixthly, the Ministry of Transport should work with the transport unions and private and public transport operators to ensure enhanced hygienic conditions in all vehicles and terminals by providing, amongst others, hand sanitizers, running water, and soap for washing of hands. And seventhly, the Ministry of Local Government and Rural Development should coordinate with the metropolitan, municipal, and district assemblies measures to enhance conditions of hygiene in markets across the country.
Fellow Ghanaians, I, Rebecca Kufuor, the First Lady of the Republic of Ghana, have observed with great concern the ongoing pandemic of COVID-19 and the confirmation of cases in Ghana. I would like to use this opportunity to re-emphasize the various preventive measures recommended by the Ministry of Health and to urge everyone to take care of their health and that of their families by adhering to the following precautionary measures. Regular and thorough washing of hands with soap and running water and use of alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Avoid shaking hands. Cover the mouth and nose with tissue when coughing or sneezing and dispose of the tissue immediately. Keep a distance of at least 2 meters away from a person with fever, cough, sneezing, and difficulty in breathing. It is advisable to be physically active, drink plenty of water, eat healthy, avoid stress, and have enough sleep. Stay home if you feel unwell with symptoms of fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, and call the following numbers immediately: 050-949-7700 and 055.
Fourthly, businesses and other workplaces can continue to operate, but should observe prescribed social distancing between patrons and staff. Fifthly, establishments such as supermarkets, shopping malls, restaurants, nightclubs, hotels and drinking spots should observe enhanced hygiene procedures by providing, amongst others, hand sanitizers, running water and soap for washing of hands. Public education is being intensified to ensure that citizens are well advised on preventive measures. Earlier today, Sunday, the 15th of March, 2020, I chaired a meeting of the Interministerial Committee on Coronavirus Response. After deliberations, I've decided, in the interest of public safety and the protection of our population, to review the public gathering advisories earlier announced as follows. Firstly, all public gatherings, including conferences, workshops, funerals, festivals, political rallies, sporting events, and religious events such as services in churches and mosques, have been suspended for the next 4 weeks. Private burials are permitted, but with limited numbers, not exceeding 25 in attendance. Secondly, all universities, senior high schools, and basic schools, i.e. public and private schools, will be closed Monday, 16th of March, 2020, till further notice. The Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Communication, has been tasked to roll out distance learning programs. However, BECE and WASI candidates will be allowed to attend school to prepare for their examinations, but with the prescribed social distancing protocol.
Na yinya understanding when you say Omar recorded one of the cases out of the 6 cases ewo my Ghana mu o my update kakra doctor anope ya watching.
Yeah.
The kan answer kra na be bad specific case no I say fear and panic ewura Ghana fumu. Is it that dangerous? I say obi abohu sa
yo me mo watching the abusuafo nyina anso say waka say fear and panic ewura nkrofo mu na mpa say metuo na minim bibia reba na obi aka ho asem sa mesuro kakra na mom meshe bo say eni say obi asu asene say yende nyame ye yadom esi wo baabi nti yete wo mpopoe na yate wo mpopoe no mpanimfo de niema bebre egu kwan mu a kire say eni say yesuro te say anka oman bi a wonya ntie bi asa ade no reba no wo besuro no nti meka say fear and panic ne de ehu hia yenya de oboni be kan say level headedness so ehu na de mpanimfo be kan bia no ye di so na me je di say bibia betoye.
Now, Yamra over the weekend, reporter and the information minister confirm Obuase my details when you involve Ama Sante region. You record your DH.
Yo, Madam say, what we need to know now is it's funny say, alert Nintino. To me. Senior Minister can yet me a recorded case back. near then say there will be a friend isolation. Inti Yamia Yaduma Yuhu case in the Sano. Pennyfood in Yamegua Cremo, Unipano Solitino. Let me account say, Nuye. If say Yanka, you say, and yes, we have coronavirus now. Why yare I would dump him what you answer. Into Unipano Huye. Here, say a back and say, question a winner and a man a winner. Near woman say, Ubi and Yabi. Sabi Unipano so or a young man gun and Niba. It is here, near a here in Titu, say, and spread the encore a fufuso. Nasa, you may be no sooner, ye do who you must see. Ye jedi say, so be a dinner canoswa. If you cry, ye not a can one pony a cafe spread it.
Doctor, any demu ofri fa na eba ni krum oba ni nchimoles to kwan to fi hin na ba e kru ben so na obedu ye ne di nasai ansa na yehu.
Paucho me kan aka Ghana fu yen bebre no ye pe hu se pesi mensa na enya ana kwagye samwa na enya eno eremboa yen na mpo no de ayenim ni se ofi amanone enye se bi okoje nani adwumaye ena de no koi ena obedui ampa obedui no nso e so oba ninchi a eye oboase into your buy nya yensa kan ne se na abie mpena odi ya ohun se no hododo no esan so yo obi a no nso wate coronavirus de wura yerbo okrom ni ade ni ntino onu ankasa na ode no ho be kire mpanimfo se mo hwe se bibi sa wo mu ana na onye onipa oyare bia sa so ye take sample no sani mpanimfo bi atutu kwan mu no ekoye bae na ayesa kan result na na ye bo mpanimfo amane enye se ye bo amane no nso ye datu mu ye started the name atutu kwan mu ndi bra na minister nso rehwe se ampa de ye kan no saa na ti ana na ife odi abetu gba no na ya ye niema bebre nti meka se ruin hia bebre nipa oye eni bebi a ofi na mo ye nim se yare ne de odi fi amano ne na ebae.
Okay, Majorisa no pay education okay. That means we are not interested in why and the victim necessarily, but boy and so ma I think my specific question has not been answered yet. Contact or University of Ghana gay. You see, he had contact about 107. We are contact with about how many people? What is the possibility and the chances of say ubini winya contact ubitimi enye bi my this education kakra?
Yo, near woman say, in a mean chade, one hour only one year contact me, bebre no dodo na no. To me, the dim man penny for. Am I a contact you? Yanka you who say, Sabian you be only name your contact bia no benya yarini. Now, I say, a dinner could do penny for sema. One my who can say, yen won casa. Near your catcher or honey say, a son say, unipa semeti enya contact in Tino. Ye pesa also, uchen wonka crack fi or man for na yeshe. Na ni woman yarin so being a contactor. Ye become pa and say, ye be money say chimu no one to know say. If you also better try say, oh, only other thing your contact be brave. Nefi ya monitano. Ye di enye di nature. If you say, won't show symptoms are a wound here say ye could testify. It is so far will be and show symptoms here. But nipa dudwa and sa canidi ubia is under observation. Or cooperative affair fence where we can say be a man and me buama yes see arena. Inti contact no yensa ka number no. Enra we can say 30. But contact tracing a idea continuous. It is not 30 no crown penifo da ho a wo so hina na wo so oni ne ehia bi amachia ana bribi saa ne yamani nyina no yehwe efi can nebusuamu obi beka say no dey private life but meka so onyo nipa se bi ote krom na wachinchin bebre echi ankrofo nti sankrofo na yenya wondi ni nyina so ofie eye nebusuafo ofie a obia ho nkan kora eme say 14 days ni betwam na yetumi take decision bi
Absafo no pesa fe na ado afide na to ha ye ne eye Oboase Government Hospital Dr. Penia or Dr. Kodwa Samwanya ko na edin komo is in respect to among the 6 cases Ghana ba ko a ofri Asante mo specifically Oboase na Omai education any update e wo ho Dr. ni die mu say Omai ma after President Din Sembe nyina tuja no what do we do as a doctor educating na my this education kakra
yo me da say me je di say neide say radio station bia ye beti say nipa e train won apomdin mpanimfo ene amam mpanimfo wo be my education ni bebre into me advice say dey kan ni say yentie di mpanimfo reka na to say being esan say nipa bebre afa information bebre fi internet nti niam na ye confusion na ye basa enso ya tena se aboabo no ason so a ye hu ne beboa ye wo Ghana nti mo bi nka say minim dada ana makotu oba bi say eduru wei ana bibi say na ebebo me ho banti na ye ntie ni ampanufo ne ka say na sesi a ye riti na say ya apply a ebeye adwuma na ansa na saa ndesi no meka say oni beka say social distancing when we say president ni speech no bebre no is based on that say bi amaye mbo chenku obabi na obi enya bi kura ababe sanye ifei niema simple niema to say orubo wawa we say we di tissue kata wano ana won sabate no akura no mu ho no ubo wawo no gu ho na say anko ka won sa ho kura efei yenta ho horo yensa semina ene hia pa nsu a etene ni semina no ehu hia pa sin bibia sanitizer ye na mo eno no ngobra unya nsu ni semina ho horo wonsa no ene bia obaka so obeyi si sanitizer efei ade no yanim nko a na efa ko emfa nipa widie ni mu enti se wotade wonsa kokko wani ho e wo bra ho horo ya wani ohwene no wano won so betumi afako na ma ye ntiatia ye nsem so hu efe ugina beebi a hu nya fa ade a omanfuta susom no wo bra won ho nsa no won so ubesom bia door post ne ade no eni nyina ye hwe ni yesi ho kwan ba ko so eto so ne se obi feel say no ho dodo na enye fi anso no abetene fi diagnosis say we be malaria we ye say but modern nako hospital you be screening test screening no ye you be say what temperature na ye bi sound sem ba ku mienu bi enu be si dinai say impo ebi a wanya bi na ba ku ehu be hia ne movement history travel history if na fine if na be a be past 3-4 days wako when you be a wetu kwan bi enyankita hu bi okwan bi so ana yebisa sansem nya no ebeboa ma ya semu se bi ayare a wo yare no ordinary yare ana ebeye corona we say ya sa nipa no musa no we say test ahoro no so no abaso iti yebeka no eno an se itineru koya no chekire bebre beko wo bebi a nipa twahia especially radio yenya so na yentie yetumi nkan nyina preocupa amemi gina he but yetia na ebeye adwuma bisa na metumi aka kire osete ya
Doctor, so be enya bia after the incubation period dear any day no be hu say ade we me susu say eyai bi
yo esane say ye ohumi mu yare nti no eti say pepum pepepe ana kaka ya enti wodi asase a ho dodo wasa ho mfa obi na se wanya wasatri bowa o se wumbo wa o once a wo se wuri yenya kata type of symptoms no ntɛmna no mampanimfo nhwɛ efisɛ yɛbɛka no worintumi enhu sɛ corona no ɛna ɛrehyɛ ase obiara nso a ɔbɔ wawo no de ɛwɔ sɛ ɔbaa na mpanimfo hwɛ ne yɛyiyi mu na yehu sɛ ɛbɛyɛ bia na ɛnyɛ bi nti ahododo no ne nea ɛhyɛ ase first na mame.
Wow, too bad. Bomo de say a bit me a reconnected doctor nya kono na wo Boase Government Hospital. No my some education about a DNA day and yebehu na fin so ya my adwen akoso.
Public education is being intensified to ensure that citizens are well advised on preventive measures. Earlier today, Sunday, the 15th of March, 2020, I chaired a meeting of the Interministerial Committee on Coronavirus Response. After deliberations, I've decided, in the interest of public safety and the protection of our population, to review the public gathering advisories earlier announced as follows. Firstly, all public gatherings, including conferences, workshops, funerals, festivals, political rallies, sporting events, and religious events such as services in churches and mosques have been suspended for the next 4 weeks. Private burials are permitted, but with limited numbers, not exceeding 25 in attendance. Secondly, all universities, senior high schools, and basic schools, i.e. public and private schools, will be closed Monday, 16th of March 2020, till further notice. The Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Communication, has been tasked to roll out distance learning programs. However, BECE and WASI candidates will be allowed to attend school to prepare for their examinations, but with the prescribed social distancing protocols. Public education is being intensified to ensure that citizens are well advised on preventive measures. Earlier today, Sunday, the 15th of March, 2020.
Okay, the line dropped. Benyamre na yedinkomo the various campuses, the universities, the senior high school, the junior high schools na yetimin so nyani nyina yedi abom na yatwe boase abobo nsama hodwa etwase abobo so pacho dwenye ewe Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM mobia kumentu yehia ne se obehwe ho so yie semina brano de be horo nsa pacho ya fa sunlight semina ejane na so pa on the boy am I crunching sem nyina no ye de ebre wo anopai bibia da na kwamu nyame ene hwe yen nyame na boy ho ban ene nti ehu ne niam bia ubetimi ama wakoma etu no avoid it and let's know what to do. I'm kwa homa so na mene ora Patrick Afo ochade wa Google Presbyterian College of Education enra and various colleges of education ABA school yes I did for the do school and omo Asia president directive C. How is the situation at various colleges of education, specifically Asante Achima Google? Bema Patrick Afo yamo achibe Nhyira FM na what to say nyame adom ye ho ye mo so mo ho ye de yes, say the various colleges of education and run a movie.
All 46 colleges of education and students no a report here. Na say me no kata bra ebimu ehyasie efi ndambia a report here. Anopay ebimu so ayo margin say ombesimu aba the sense say and there any china kono the best start lectures you be school for the second semester after the second semester no yeah EB enti senior president directive so ba ndra anajono and say omo campus and there omo ni TV ni ade a omo hello
okay afu gina so ma me Okay. Doctor, any day when I kasana line drop here, nanka are there something important? Symptoms I be who say areno, be and a line drop here, but we mamma yanko.
And the American say, about symptoms are. It's an say or whom we are in Tino. Kitwe be a bad idea, and say, Bruni Becca when you flu-like syndrome symptoms. A year pepun and say, why show. If you are pepun and shatty in Temba, do those on your basabasana, why show. Yaw tea yaw. If you bring your kata, woman a becosro at a years. And Fahu say, Unimusu and soon. Sabre, my wife and brass say a bit to me. Aye, Bibisa. Now, you will now be Susan, I say, a coronavirus. In terminal, now what you have upon the bear. And yes, I'll be cockasible. Ye train you be the initial signs and symptoms. It is so when you kata beer of any sort, and I say, Richard Fair. Now, why Ed go and terminal bow and a young casa, Ibehu. Na ipeyasa mu se corona ni bi ana ya fofo
anta yati krom ha ya boya wadada yati krom ha code ne distance a chie dada nti si ade ebia betima ebia na
so na America no bebre nu enye bi na so ka se wo betwen ma fe akosi bebi aye din dia nema mienu na ebesi o na se mu be ye din a se wan hwe ya de wo be ko hospital yan kai se won awonya ni bebre ho ahia se wo ko hospital ye be kyerɛkyerɛ ma watena fie wo mfa ho ba nipa ho bebre enti sa wo retwen ma wawo no wat akoye kese ansa e be hawo enti sisi ade emfa ne se wawo bia ho yehu pepu bia ho yehu ahodugu bia nso saa na ehu na wo de aba hospital.
Surviving rate say eka obi a say ne ho beto no a onwu etesen
survival rate esono mpanimfo de na esono mo Friday but member no to fanka say ye yare a very high survival rate o hwe say sisi a na kan ko 150 ni ko nya ntwa mu po ya na won a won pimu no yakọ 6,000 to say na mo bebre no won immunity weapon mpanyinfo nti chese mfa so won di titi record no won dey ni say wodi di agrokra because won na etumi edan pneumonia no efi obia ni immunity anana hoden no so ato wo kwan bi so ebi a eduru orefa ana yare bi de dawa wo ho nti saa nipa no ebetumi no mo na dodo na won what won said then ni boni beka say pre-existing condition bi ebe boama yare no akosoro ne de enya won a e say wanya pepu ya na malaria bi wo hwa acha no na wotwe abien obesori agina bebre survive after 6 weeks up to 6 weeks. The survival rate is very, very, very high. Me de toto bibi to say Ebola ho a oni nipa kakra bi na nya Ebola to bebre wi we so de me no ka say over 80,000 people wo ho atowon ana won anyare kura asesi a ye ka say ebi akofie ebi nso wo dan mu a wo ho retowon ba nti me ma o manfo mbohu survival rate is very, very high. The entire obinya ye pese ye ni dinachi no enye owu a obewu nti na mo sane ebe ya on spreading
mfansa ankofo
ye it is say ye can say survival rate ni high no effectivity no is very high yare a obinya ya otumi de san obi.
Okay, doctor say I wa hey me abetima hospital say me mbowo metima hospital say mon check say menya bia
there be na ada na bosan pa no kra ma wo se a hu hwin ye wide ni awasa wo ye ni se ubue waso na utie afutu na yere mani nyina na se wunya symptoms no kra nso a ye mfa wo moja nko cheke
okay
no de ye wo temperature ene nsem bisa na ade bi ebi aye tie okuko sa na ma no pe na ye be ye ni o ke ebeye bi ana elinye bi nti one a wayare ana we show science ni pe na ye fa wo moja ko test.
Okay. That was it. That was a pa. That was Bibini Besan so Atonsa Edia from 26 minutes past 7. I was for young corner, young Kunkuye or Ra for Patrick. Mr. Patrick, media Naya ni Doctor Ewi and Como. Okay, the line dropped.
And information that announced the first 2 confirmed COVID-19 cases. Consequently declared the outbreak in Ghana on the 12th of March this year, 3 days ago. Both individual index cases returned to Ghana outside the country, one from Turkey and the other from Norway. Hence, the 2 cases were both imported. The first case is a man resident in Accra, who returned to Ghana from a trip in Turkey on the 29th of February this year. He developed symptoms on the 10th of March and reported to a health facility on the same day. He was identified as a suspected case of COVID-19. Sample was taken same day. The sample was sent to Noguchi Memorial Institute Medical Research, and within a short while, we had the report from Noguchi confirming that Ghana has confirmed the first case of COVID-19 in the country. The second case is a 60-year-old man, a Norwegian, who returned to Ghana, Accra,
Right, it was about 42 minutes past 8, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Atrase, no pay a more of education. Na yet to your home for church, require a faswa, a bread to see mu, yen abit me, a boy and hobby. In the studio, we're privileged to have Penimfoa, Unimde, a breast with you for Dr. Akosia Jima Omare. Sasu, good. I'm sorry. We're Kumasi Metro Health Director, Ghana Health Service, and I'm your Dr. Michael Usu, a lecturer, researcher, our Department of Medical Diagnosis, and Director at the Center for Health, NGO. As usual, me Kasa Adi Ora Kosia de Odike. coronavirus or no coronavirus or blink basa. I say eja virus abedi or sheni oho nyina na obewu a or the entire day mini no ujudi did na did job na smend e ba ye nyina beku e also usro also zika bebre ya point ya confess kan mi ku abodi no bi anyway se bibi aboko
ovi yentimi complain yare na besin se wiem na
serious
onya me be hwe so
mama ma doctor ne me doctors me ni akwa ba penny for more to say
ye ho ye
edanya me ase
na me adome
doctor say busan fo nyina ho ye
ai obi a ho ye
I see mama started with you in the midst of this nervousness in fact some of us as a dear chin na nsem course no apart from being scared obia ohuni onye mona mo apombia so ya mutuefo etifu etie enye dey
ntini ebedi kan kan se ema obia akoma entu
okay
ema obia akoma entu because yare na aba no ndie ewo ho
okay
aye cheche ne ma ye betimi aye ede aboye ho ban eno ne pese obia ete na oye no de bon ho ban ni nua wo ne nchen yare we ade awo ye no de bon ho ban ne wobusua ni obi bia aka because yare na aba no pese coronavirus ana covid-19 no ye born say respiratory disease yare ba affect ana say ye wa hrewa bi ahome efa no ai ho ena eko hawo tie ma ho ye hye na wo bowa utimi hwensi wana abon bebre na wontintesu boni say dry cough ti wontintesu na ho ye hye ho menso a ebia yensi so ti we ye sunsunsu anso a obetimi ehu na ne ye kaso ye suspect ne say enye ha na ewo ananya ha ne hu ne face bi efi na China ene kura ho face siso nti si afọ Ghana de na ka wotu kwan fi nkuro bi sa aba na wo sa nyema we ya eno ne me hu se bia wo ye suspect e wo se ko ye nhwehwemu masisi ayenya case 6 ipansi enye bisisi ano omo aba omo no so e wo se ye nhwehwemu e hwe so omo no so omanye bi ana so omunye bi nti we ye de ma se nyina ye hu se bibi se ye me a e bia na e bi me ne obi a wonye bi abo impunimpo a e wo se me de me ho ba ye nhwehwemu hu se uwo bi ana se wonni bi kwan ben so ne befa so aboye ho ban
mebo ansa ne bedu on yeti krum we se ebo ewa dada yeti krum we dry cough ye bo nti ye bere ne ya differentiate
and I'm can say nia yare na ban yare foforo e wa ye bodada na influenza na ko ne kata e ma yesa me e wo hodada
ntenkyere se ubi e bo wa na ye chenchena se
ye nye sa na chire nye sa na chire ti we yare foforo aba na asna benye bi ne se obi a wasa yare ni bi e de amaw na o de asan wo nipa ho akonipa ho ntomo mo kuro na bi esiso no omo na necessary nim se bi e wo ho no nto bi sa eba ewura ga na ne bi ofisa nkuro ni bi so na o sha asenya sa susanso a nya ye nhwehwemu nti omo saa no ye di omo sha ase basi se ye nya ni pensia no se saa ni pensia oni emu bi aben aben na so start ye hye na obo wa wonso ye obi e se oba ne ye nhwehwemu hwe se wonso wo yare ni bi ana ti no ne so anso a difference ana so inso ana se difference
inso
ye medase ye wo mu no ntenya wa bi a wo bia na eti wenya coronavirus ana se covid-19 ada go kata flu influenza ya foforo ho a e ma yesa ebowa eno wo hodada ada bacterial infection so tima ebowa ananya pneumonia ni nyina wo hodada nso ye wo mu no ne se ebe wetu kwan aba imported cases case enye nyina omo ekwa amano ne de baye nti no ene nso ya ewo mu
Dr. Michael osu yenhwa de you see say gathering ne sa ne meni na yenjai adwadifu edidwa wodwom eni ayeto aduane die what do we do
gathering ni die ehu hia maye na emi dese president otimi eka sansem wi anka oche kakra anka be haye
I see
if you say yare no obroni classify no 2 levels first one yes say obi di be free the crew e de be bro second one is say wakasankasa ye ti omemu nanka ye de be maye ho
na Ghana no yenyen dru baby a yetimi de ma ye ho a bonifa ni community transmission ho na ehu no enti dede a ye nyina ne se ye mpese bedru baby a te se de so na yankasa na edru ya ye de ma ye ho eba ne sa na so ano a na ye den indi se wo 6 a 6 ni nyina no obi free abruchiri e no de ba ye de a na che se wo se utimi eye ne obetimi aye obebo man no na ehwehwemu niema bebresi no se Ghana na nyame adom ye se yare na acha ase wa ha se bibisha ase free so a wo so obi tro bi kana so no dikan a eya na ohun so difference so owi ohun na se on di China for ni bre if se tam e ba no mu hu se de yare ne tifa nyame ya adoma ma yetimi study on many bebre nti enim niema e ma yare ne spread ade ba ko ma ne spread pa ye sa gathering ni pekuo unim ya nkasa ya santimemu ha eyie ba e wo so ochia obia kokositri ukwa asoria e wo so ochia obia kokositri se bi kremu ukosoma na mu nyina mu abo am ho ano ubehwe no bi bo wa no hwe wanim na so ahwe nanim ubekọ na so bo wa nti sa ne ma we ye niema e ma yare no sa yare particular we etimi increase baby de say Malaysia say almost static numbers kakra bi be around 60s Andrea ya Malaysia cases na ko be 109 eba ne say incremofo be 16,000 ekoko ye osom omu wi osom no omu monitor omu after week no na omu nyina start afi asa niam no ya jinsem Korea so sa asori ya Korea for case pan if asori no omu almost about 2,500 members na sorry so for no na asa omu nhye dan gi sa niam ni ndi wo corona de enye ye dia ebia na ye nkrofo bi dia ye ndie ye wo gidie ye so sa niam ne so na members na bi ye wo bi na omu ni omu tete omu ni bo omu so no na asori na ba be ye sport a afi yare na spread enti se gathering si ne president aye no ya de wo se ye nyina itimi boa se ya boa oman na ebedu ba bi a on hwe abaye den and da bia meka se o kun yare te se obi o kokon no one o kokon ne ehia ye utu oni precautions a wasa of ahohoronsa use sanitizers obi asu ne ho no kokon osuru enti na menu aba ne ka se eni se yesuru eni se obi aka se yebewu obi ani ho ba bewu yare na nkasa wa about 90% recovery enti se nipa 100 nya 90 of them no mal te se de wonya kata ase wa obe recover 10% na ewom na ebe severe no omo no na sese aye kom ho asem no one life kurawu a ye mpese nipa ba kokurawu
enti the probability se wunya bia oho ebe san akọ no
very high enti enya ade a ehu sa would way to Ebola ho Ebola na ye 80% fatality inti Ebola ni nipa 100 nya 80 bewu eno kra no Africa ufa man miensa Guinea Sierra Leone and Liberia nipa 11,000 ewu ye enye compared to ni abroad yenya free covid ye almost 6,000 now yenya ndru ho hwe covid a trafo owiase nyina na se nipa 6,000 na se Ebola eba o man miensa so na se nipa 11,000 na e kire o se odi tutu ho a yare we ya de a yetimi ye ne wo se ya ye betin asoso ano enti ehia kokuduro ene ehia se ye niema na ye no ye be chiachia na be ye betimi asoso ano na etimi ejai na Ghana ha ne enti a ye san ebo hu deruo ni se ufa Ghana bebe de se kofa no chi se almost every month no when ya almost 20,000 nipa baba hospital when Ghana hospital pra your problems be bre cholera malaria typhoid hypertension they be any park hospital into your hospital system nankasa no stress your doctors are your one nankasa no omusa your nurses ni kran omunso ye into say am so ye niema no na say sign the ewa na afie ntimi nhome na say e kofa bibia si ohuna no a obeba na mpakura obeda so no unya bi a wanya bi enas niema we so ba e ba ne sa na omo a obi ho no wo ne asthma deda asthma no enye coronavirus ebi ana ne asthma na ka ne ho afi obeba na ewunya baby mfa na afi nipa no toto enti oman nani abrese ye masa de no embeka ye system na eyo over already stretch no ho enti na ye ni abre a ye wo se ne president akabia no yetimi sombi ne yetimi de bo oman no
abisanfo ye ne nimdifo doctors a wo mu asuade no betimi aboa ye anyante ase wo bra tese mu na edi nkombo osiado dike wa ha aja dike for me what the mamen kono the directives obeka say aban no anamuntu ayetu abedu sabre no eye anase ya tran ho amaniema eye aginsemu ansa
Logo fi me da se me chia etie for mu agibility me chia menhia mpanimfo ne UPP manyina ene de me bon tetew ko fi de wo mu ne se aban atwentwen na ase kakra.
I see.
Because Saturday na mo Kesben TV directives aban de abano Saturday me de nyina egu akwam aban abedru wakane de na emum say are any free outside in eba dia as the approach no any concentration akoye inside and the airlines say baga na ina o seba na no ye hwe say o meja ba.
I see.
Number 1 na ya tutu aboda na Germany mo matutu mbodem ye de no ko nanim say the doctor no ka no ba ye say what is o yonko abodu say ehia say nsuogu esi udi ho now wo hwe aban approach na akoye internal bayere nso Ghana ni bia nya na originate here it is a frabontin na ba dia ye borders ye frontiers and also tackling ye sebe ya awonya kwama we Ghana ni kra na wabrocha wonka ho unim say NDC for no mu pushi say yenko fa China for
Ghana for wa China
emkura mkofo mkofo koye no umkura na nya yare no dodo eti ono abantwetwa na ase wonkofo mama na ye if it say sanke edum begu mu a kabana ba bia ka Ghana infections na duru no enka enye papa uhwe Italia umkofo mkofo by Iran amani ade ama wo mu no enya asem papa eti NDC for you got it wrong say moka se chinchina aban no enkofa enkrofo ne mra afei Kofi sa wo hwe aban dawura wo bo no a enwe pay sa enya consensus and the wider and the broader consultations unsa ya mamu ano asamba ne a limited to yenko ya party na abaye ne yenya but yare we nim NDC nim MPP ene nim obia Korea domu ya ne say omo frɛ political leaders efrɛ opinion ne doctors a omo ya expert and they strategize and pa Korea wo hwɛ tama escalate ne sesie ya awutimu sɛ eniama ekofom hwɛ krom a yare na omo monya bie nyina ye
figures in there my doctors no nkeka
me say o menka figures
okay
me pa just say dodo na no source no ye outside the free buy eti aban na nsana na mo akra me say kelem no nyina eba
okay
me ye besrew ye suspend the bible some ni ahwe say you betu anya no pomasi bre no eno enya de be mo man na lose so much after what $100 million but we don't see tangibles within say enka as a private Kofi Asante ba mo he ye hu say mu di bo asi wa mo ya running water eya sabio ye de horo yensa sadia no I was say ye hunu emiamia bebre
nka krum central business district and this
so say ye nka ho asembia I was say mass garden kese pa VIP e konkran enipa efro no ye fro ya ne atotom anhwenum ye say abo anso kra doctor say baby ho nwunu na ho den ho ananya sa nete
kakra half
yeah more technical
we are much
more technical yes baby VIP atoto mpoma mu ane ye nyina ye hyemu ena ye bo wakro elutino ka se nya tangibles bi se VIP ye spray trotro ye spray ane sanyo no public installations you know osaba na okay we need to feel it
is there hand sanitizers cray binum ton
$100 million at demo na say
binum ton
$100 million
and a program me frame baby so mon copy bin o say
and as a president by announcement na check kana I say ya adwuma me hu say bibi koso ya bra bomu a wo fototro ya spray
but I think that this thing there should be a price control
massa price control bi ani baby aba na also come
now turn it this
the stock wono and office or the pesca but abaya kra bebra begum and ya chiche ni free a wono dey kwa kaba neka what $100 million there why do we sit on the $100 million ade no every wa ekonsia why we ni bete na aduru adu otwe na eko eti aban ye so ya sem ne say
bomodianes kada wetwa no
okay
me wie kofi me patcho dem o cases here kada wetwa no utilizing judiciously na yehu tangibles Avelata commission say obego ahead no registration mame no onya na sem no to kra electoral commission yi si untimi nko epu nko yesa aduma weda me ka kire ne because asem na aba no ya ko salai ni akwa akotwe ni a enya mass garden ni bia no onya nto aban ene mame ne kasa president na onya ya me di bewie say ya wo your time wo ba fefi
me jim time
kobi say ya dua de sem ya kika no say ewiase anyo for the next 1 month unim say mo bebre ni yakra yakra bro a lot of nuane ye di organ ha no yakra dodo na eti aban says ya we full shortage eno so ba be ka yare no enti de meka ne say animanimu ya starting ye pekwan be fa so a ye be increase local food production na ye de aso adwumadi na no kopem bra ewiase be yen han it from political point of view ne economic wise na afei ye hu say government businesses ebenya serious setbacks say president na ntimi ntu kwan it is a negotiations been over kwai na outsider aye problem businesses aye lockdown eti dia kan say ye didi virus ho ni o ebedidi eti aban mo adwene nkoso animu ya kopem enkodu bra aduane so ho ba be yedene na fi coronavirus tini be bi na komso
there we have a problem for iguso ayedin komo we just joined by Dr. Augustina Savakin, right? Yes. Or no, your lecturer, Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology Research Scientist, KNUST. And son member Dr. Savakin, right? So no, mamine minuaba akusia jima mayemi o na mimisa se ye bede na ye hu se ade no ba bia ye wo environment no a threat ye ni na ho possible so bi obi benya bi si school kwale se na omu nyina ya mo matra fie. But how do we see around say there's a threat around us, this disease?
Okay, sani ya idi kan cheche mu sani ya yare ne te no eba obi so ane ho ye hye obowa na say
within what period se ne ya wonya kra ne ho timi start
anti obroni se incubation period time yare ne ba so ansa na ebi
adane ho edi okay
tini ehun ne se ebi efi na ba kwa na ne mienu kosi na wotwe mienu ebi nkra se ebro so kakra
okay
ati en fan se na wotwe mienu efi na mienu kosi na wotwe mienu a ebetimi adede tunya ne kanea ebi a wo ho nye hye wontate mowa ati na ne ko enim no na mienu na na miensa ansa na wo ho ahye na wasate abowa ne ka bebre na se wetu kwan efi bebi a ebi wo na that is wo start we ya ma yehu by sabia ne enshow obi sa anso ben want ne eche se cough etiquette na se ne ma wo bo wa ye no eno se droplet amba out mobi amfa ne sa ambesum ankoka nani anase ne hune anase na ne hono ma enima onye bi
okay
but obo wa na to me hold all the respiratory droplet what the tissue yet no ato acho ahoro nse ye no obi ahoro ne nse ye you observe we ya uben obi kakra wonye bi no ne ne ye be se eche no obi ate ase nti ye se once a wo ye hye bo wa no na umbe ni pakro na enya de a obeden benye bi pa ko no wo bi no ne wo se ye hwe no ne atwi ni firi obi aho ne ye hwe no na ne hoto no ti sia ne pe se bo hu de ru se wo ye hye wo wa ana se wo me enti so wo hwensi wetu kwan efi amono ne aba bibisa ye wa pe bayare sabia ana afre wona besin so abetimi afre ne ahwe ne afa ne wo se de koye hwehwemu no sample no akọ ne koye hwehwemu ne hu so wo bia ne yi wafiri ho omo ma ban hu bia no so wo se ye hwehwemu wo mo ho so hu so mo so mo wo bi ana so mo ni bi tisi si omo ni bi kra so mo tena fie ana so mo self quarantine for 14 days because they be na no na odesa on batene na ho nye hye ana wo mo wa ntebeka so e bia ho ye ti betwen 14 days hu se bibisa e hye ase a ne wo se ye hwehwemu e wo ho e wo yare no.
Okay. Dr. Augustina, I was Central Market. I've been thinking from Enragina. What omunya day? Ready for Mama for ne doom yenya den.
Sesi ade ye sana ye be hohoro na. Eno ne ebe boye kakra. Ena se o coffee ana wo sneeze a ube use tissue paper. Uwi a ese wo twetwini yi. In fact ube nya kra nka uwi a se wo hye na nka ebe ye a. Nka ye. Se wo to atwene so a fatu container eti wo so. Because we say yenimse virus no it to me travel within a certain distance. Inti na yen hohoro yensa ye o sinizi na wakatawa no o coffee a wakatawa no o hwemo a na wakatawa no na ye media ensa no kra ye hohoro hu yie no eno na ehia pa because virus no se wunya ewo wenum wo minim ene wo hwinim ena won say yeso ebia se wan fa tissue an katawa no ana wo hwene abra wo coffee ana wo sneeze a ebe wo nsa ho na fa wo de kochie obi
cough ni sneeze no manemra form na edwom form a cough ni
wo ana wo wenzi wo bowa ana say wo wenzi wo wenzi asemo inti yesa na susuchia uchia nsemo enchia nsem because uhwinzi ana wo bowa wi a wo de wonsa ebe ka wenim ena make say virus no so se wunye bia chese wo minim ene wo hwinim inti wo de wonsa ka wenim a chances are that ebi beba wonsa ho na wo sign de kochia na chese eba ne sa na spread dia no na ne ye interesting poni se sesi a enkrofo aye nhwehwemu bebre e wo Singapore omu ehu se enkrofo bi mu omu exhibit yare no signs and symptoms but omu testi omu no omu wa yare ni bi.
I see.
Yes, in fact any say we don't need to panic.
E obi wo ho a omu mmowa
Debbie.
E obi wo ha omu enye bari yare ni bi wo mu.
Ai senior dog kind incubation period no na eye say bia obia obenye bi ni chese or bowa na say or exhibit sa respiratory signs no but say US fu ehu sa Singapore for omuko meeting nipa 23 no mu ni any signs and symptoms of the virus but they decided to test them. Out of 23 no 3 of them tested positive for the virus.
As me say be a nam ho ye bit ma hospital someone test here when we have no signs.
No dear yeah high say dear e be den kakra because so far 100 million no yeah dear medu ye inti I say we are sort of limited. Because see a KCCR Any Nuguchi KCCR thankfully a director Professor Richard Phillips ya research in kakra yewo ena ya boa no a ye de sika ya boa no a ye de ye adwuma
nti se amona mo ye nhwehwemu
ye ni Nuguchi
okay nti va Asante Regions e ba se obi betwiri mu ye nhwehwemu a ye moma so ye na mo
but nipa ne mba ye facility hono obekọ designated facilities no mo
actually moja
no mo ye ni mboja mpo ye de omo de swab ade be hye ni hwinim no mo afa sample no na ye de aba lab na ya hwehwem ya between 3 and 6 hours na when your results na you who say we positive. I mean we've been doing this for a very long time. We
hand sanitizer semi minim some say for bacteria and I will see a virus then it me the present
viruses ne bacteria nyina they belong to a group of organisms microorganisms inti se wo hand sanitizer containing at least 60% of ethanol wo de paper omo bewu anaso omo beye inactive but this particular coronavirus here abey enu etumi etna surface so e be a metal surface and any sort of surface for 9 good days. Inti na ye
abra onwuye
debi onwu inti na ye drama home hand washing hand inti say wo wash unsa bebre a say you don't even want the virus to stay on that surface or on your hands.
Wow. Nasemo. Dr. Michael. Yes, before the end, we answer will be the chrome. And also,
ntɔkwa baako a anaasɛ ɔko baako a WHO for social media misinformation.
Okay.
ɛno no yɛn generation wei no ɛyɛ adeɛ baako a ɛha yɛn paa. Minim ne ɔkɔkɔfa baayɛ sɛ before deɛ ɛnya yare na ɛnku yɛn. Yɛhwɛ yɛ na ɛda WhatsApp so. Na afei nkurɔfoɔ ani agye sɛ yare wei deɛ ɛmma Ghana na ɛkora no yɛn ho yɛ den. Obi so kɔhwɛ mu ɔsi ewia nya na Malaysia for ewia asa 33 degrees and mo ewia no na mo start nya bi.
I see.
Asa na mo cases increase into obi catch us say Ghana ha say ewia ewo henti ne ye nya na nipa no onim ne ewoka e na yare we ni so no eyade a yesterday ewia si ni nyina obi enim say dia ne tibiate into almost every second obi a hwehwehwe mu say yare we te sen enne obeka say obo wa na obenya okira na obetimi adane ne ho inti ye hwehwe ne mu ye hu se de besi ayafa inti asad now ye ni hwehwe mu bia a kire se wo ye bibini a bibini de ne we de no emu ye den inti no de corona ba onya enya no kre ena hanso na awia wa ha inti onya sa ha ye nya kata yesi akra no nsu started to talk ebe kakra uhu obi a wanye wambo wade ade bibi be free mu
say ye ura kata season mu na sa de tije isi ade ohu obi a obo wa ese ye no na ya pebe be de fa
once onya kata no chese obenya ye cases ye hwehwe mu ayaye asa somewhere 2014 coronavirus ye hu steady wo honum na ye ne ye hunu eye ne anu nye din.
Okay.
Ye won ye etini pe mo etimi ma nipa bowa. Ufa Ghana fo nyina mo aye yo mo test no nipa be 12% e wo sa coronavirus no. E wo mumu didada.
Na munim dada.
Ni enim dada.
Na mo ameka nchire.
Enye November no.
Enye ti enu nye ye wo unko fa bare ye family of viruses. Ye from say coronaviruses. Ye ne ye emu 4. Bebodia bako the NL63 ebi the 229 ebi the OC43 ebi the HKU1 omunom no timi ma ya boa na we no akwai te se ne ebi o ha nipa de ne timi fra emo adiem emo so obi emo bi te se ampan.
Okay.
Ampan so woni die woni mu nti se ampan ni nipa de ne bi fra na aboa no ni widie mu ayedin nti enu bi sa na ye gidi se etimi apia ema obi a problem no. In China for not believe say animal human interface and muemu ne free and the affair ba nipa mu and afi nipa eldima nipa sana transmission it.
See, I'm many bi nam ho no bo wa mienu miensa na what do I do? Just say
and inti na yina ye tu ye ho for.
We get more scared.
Wa obowa no. Wa obowa no ye kire say de wo say obowa. E kasa ebia upeja unsa na ubo aguma na okura tissue a said the amenu abaka na ubo aguma na wato ahwene se uni ni paneti benwa yesi ma ho distance ebia be 1 or 2 meters
be se ha ne be awe
se distance no hwe na se emu be wa emu wa na se nipa no empese otia wo mask keto bi wo ho a fama nipa na obo wa no fa nhye ne hwene se de be ya on bo wangu nipa so.
Okay.
Na Ghana na sitan ni pese ni se nipa suban edin
konchie kura betu ani no achie mi
Ghana no
we be ba ho so no se say ya je o so no achie na wi
mi hwe wani no abo wangu so ya no ko o ka na ni buafu se bi unam joma obi ntosi obi timi tu ni tosi o na ekosa o hwe ni nti ye suban a ye dia tena for so many years na sisi na wiase dane niema ye no enye say ye to aso because ukoso to aso a wan hwe ya na akwakọ hawo nyame kura na ya dom mi de bia meka say corona na ehu na mom ebola no kura na ehu che corona nyame na ya dom anka ye ne tu ginifo no bitu ya eno kura de na ohu fifire kura ka obi a nipa no timi nya bi.
Okay. Kumase ma diagnose how many cases? Asante region. How many cases am I diagnosed?
8.
Just 8 in Ashanti region.
In Ashanti region. And about positive. But then apart from the 8, you know, say yeni nuguchi, ye bibia science for friend and a lab for friend quality control checks. Inti samples are nuguchi for testing in omo de breye na yeso ya testi yeso ya samples nyina ye de from ba unse sa we mu nyina ye nkama obi anti these are some of the structures and the measures we have decided to take.
Into out of the 8, 7 negative, 1 and a positive. That's very interesting. Dr. Kusejuma, muna mo apum bi anso ya dane denina ma wo be wo when yare buy the sabia. Are they no more at risk? You visit various health centers. Yes, or buy a sabia because all confirm for instance. Baby any panacran over shene ya for betnano ebiniho. Not confanoche alone, many of the health centers. Into Obeba Hospital no obekono de yare for froko. What do we do?
Niye say ayayare sabi nyina no. When say the case definition and now be suspected case no amomo. Nti obi abedu ho a omo no bedi nkomo nti du ho na se bisa so de na ye wa menka se onye doctor nti ntimi kan kire me. Nti bedu ano ho no ana wi abeyi kan no be bisa se de na ye wo ye hu se wo bo wa na se bibi e be bisa se wetu kwan yakọ baby. No mo sa no ye yi omo afiri mu se na be ya omo nyina akwatena baby entwen enche anse na ya be fro se ko doctor ba. Nti obi se ye charging Sinebea will be able to pick the suspected cases no if you no munyina ant na fa dodo ye hu so bi bo ebo wan so na ye ni epie na se ama ne mask abo we ye niema ye nyina ye ene ye tu obi afon so sinebea won so behu se we ni suspected case into hospital na yare we na ade ba nkonkotena ho a uba ya no mo ye hu se eye me se me suspected case ye COVID-19 ana coronavirus ye ka ho asemi enu bi na me se ye me because nyamencha de omo a ehu omo we nyina no omo amotena ase wo fie no hu se omo ye suspect we ebia na eye me no mo bae nti ade ase ebo ni dedo no obi ehu se COVID-19 na coronavirus na eka no ehu nso anso ani nti menye bi na metu kwan afiri bebi aba eye se nipa o manye bi nso me ne o mabompu ni mpu a e wo se meba na ye hwe omo ti we nyina ye niema na ye cheche nso sa cough etiquette ne hand wash na eke ni nyina bebo ye nyina ho ban inti se wonyare nso amema yare sabia omo mbesa ya fo no se emma bebre no se confirm not ni kodubaka se visited pa ba mienu pe to yare for da ho a munyina dom nsore se ye kwosra no ye nyina ye kwosra no de bi sa me de yempe ensra bebre sa no ba ku mienu pa omo hwa yare fo no omo no mo mbra hospital no obi nso yare nipa ba miensa nka se ye nyina ye de na ko hospital busuafo me ma me yare nti ye nua miensa nyina ye nyina de ma miechi ni nyina de na ba ye mpese nipa bebre beba ayasabia sa me because yare no esane ti we nyina ye niema ye nyina esi ehu na de boye ho ban omo ho no so ye wo be friend protective clothing niema so wo show bia obowa e wasa wo hye eno ne face mask na ye ka no aha nti mask na nye obi a wo ka kra na wo so bi bo mask hwenye no ono ombowa
ni aropa mi be mi family gloves me ko US me gloves am de ko en kama sese gu kem kama de she kama sese ma de kra
wo bo wa de out mi she eno bebo ama droplets na enkwa bonten ye hwa yare form bo wan so se ye nya so ye she eno ebo ye ho ban nti we niema ye
nti we ma ye nkoto bi nhihye
aha
wo mo wa kra mento bi nhihye
wo wa eno sa no don sa be ka wanim ye be sa don sa film be ka wanim wo bebe also me safe bibi anya mi nti mete ho aha na abonten na ebie ho content don sakra koka ho na sa de aka wanim na ayew
nke wato bi egu ana
ovi de tia ne se mi ntobi se de mi
ba wunya bi anka beto
ko bi sa yehu
anyway
se de ye kan no me de man ye mi hu mo ne se de mi nwa ma no specific ya wanya instant na bi kra ye be detect now also the nam that is a droplet and a mode of infection afi ebi am betra hey am ye program na bi kra ma deposit virus no anameko na cleaners o mo ba no on be no west to him or her no what in sabe friday so we are no
odiketwa mi my dear my be aware say we call back to the camp adwumem right into major for final comment but you know my wufi hey your microphone because boys bi o mo nimu a wo hwe o mo a they are suspect kunum ne they are all suspect what do we do
they can hand washing na the be boy yes under running water at least 20 seconds for some na dey ahoro it's you ni hu no yeso hand sanitizer ama ya fa yensa enso ke kai anim sa niema no ne nya nchia no we mu nyina ne mebo ye ho ban
there's a possibility say obetimi no obi awo ho but ebintimi nyew nipa no
a lot of them contact
is there a possibility say obechia obi nso na entimi nyew
and there's a possibility.
Which much?
Be 100% say.
Okay.
We don't saka na po benye dey be. Tu saka na we so hand and inside the wa run sa. Bibi anyo. And na onye obi ata don saka ka wanim no we ya. Bibi anso enyo. Enke ka wanim de ohunne mu fa ansa enhye wanum. Fa ansa enka wanim a. Wo run sa. Bibi a unye bi. So there's a possibility.
Me kwa ba no mabisa mini about Augustina. Yes, ebola ba na yes bushmeat. Ya krante na yentwi yenwe na yenye den. We streaming live on our Facebook page, Nhyira 104.5 FM. We have all the experts here giving us the needed education and pay. Enough of the NDC MPP, and I'm just enjoying the discussion. Bijiri Sasana also enjoy with you. My yenya some education awareness. The almost can say yinsusumi yemshishie na idea ahondasono eboa yehubetimi nso atoyentem. Me basisia.
Public education is being intensified to ensure that citizens are well advised on preventive measures. Earlier today, Sunday, the 15th of March, 2020, I chaired a meeting of the Interministerial Committee on Coronavirus Response. After deliberations, I've decided, in the interest of public safety and the protection of our population, to review the public gathering advisories earlier announced as follows. Firstly, all public gatherings, including conferences, workshops, funerals, festivals, political rallies, sporting events, and religious events such as services in churches and mosques, have been suspended for the next 4 weeks. Private burials are permitted, but with limited numbers, not exceeding 25 in attendance. Secondly, all universities, senior high schools, and basic schools, i.e. public and private schools, will be closed Monday, 16th of March 2020, till further notice. The Ministry of Education, in collaboration with the Ministry of Communication, has been tasked to roll out distance learning programs. However, BECE and WASI candidates will be allowed to attend school to prepare for their examinations, but with the prescribed social distancing protocol.
Coronavirus or no coronavirus or blink basa. I say eja virus abedi or shed your hood na obewa or the entire day. Many I don't know. Would you did you know the job in a spend? Buy it never go. It was also
your point, I could confess can be
anyway, Sebi Viaboko.
Intimate complain, Yarina Bessin say you
serious.
When I'm a better so.
My doctor, me doctors me now cover. Penny for more to say. Doctor said we shall phone you now. I will be away. I see. My man started with you in the midst of this nervousness. In fact, some of us, I say, I dear China and seminary course, apart from being scared, we are when you're on ye. One more upon being say, I'm with your phone. If we tear any day.
Nti ne ebedi kan say Emma obia akoma entu.
Okay.
Emma obia akoma entu. Because yare na aba no ndie ewo ho.
Okay.
Aye cheche ne ma ye betimi aye e de aboye ho ban. Eno ne pese obia ete na oye. No de bo ne ho ban ni nnu owo ne nchen. Yare we ade awo ye no de bo ho ban ne obusua, ne obi bia aka. Aha, because yare na aba no pese coronavirus and COVID-19 no. A respiratory disease. Yare ba affected and I say a wahrawa, if you are home efa no. I ho and echo how. Tia ma ho yeshe. Na wo bowa. Utimi ho ensi. 1 hour born be na won't test you when you say a dry cough.
Okay.
It won't test you now ho yeshe. Oh men swa e be ensi so. Ti we ye sunsun so answa obetimi hu. Na ne yeka so ye suspect ne say enye ha ne wo and then you had the face. If you in China, ene kura ho for esisi so nti sia for Ghana de na ka wotu kwan fi nkuro bi saa aba na wo saa nema we ya eno ne ma yehu se bia wo ye suspect e wo se ko ye nhwehwemu aha ma sia yenya case 6 ipansi enye bi sisi ano omo aba omo no so e wo se ye nhwehwemu e hwe so omo no so omenye bi ana so omunye bi nti we ye de ma se nyina yehu se bibi se ye me a e bia na e bi me ne obi a wonye bi abo impunimpo a e wo se me de me ho ba ye nhwehwemu hu se uwo bi ana se wonye bi kwan ben so ne befa so abo ye ho ban
mebo ansa ne bedu on yeti krum we se ebo ewa dada yeti krum we dry cough ye bo a nti ye better ne differentiate
and I'm can say nia yare na ban yare foforo e wa ye bodada na influenza na ko ni kata e ma ye sane me e wo hodada
ntenkyere se obi e bo wa na ye chenchena say
aha ye nye sane chire nye sane chire ti we yare foforo aba na se na abenye bi se obi a wosa yare ni bi e de amaw na o de asan wo nipa ho akonipa ho nti omo kuro na bi esiso no omo na necessary ni nim se bi e wo ho no nti obi sa eba ewura Ghana na bi ofisa nkuro ni bi so na o sha asenya sanso a nya ye nhwehwemu to mo saa no ye di o mo sha ase but se ye nya ni pensia no se saa ni pensia woni emu bi aben aben na so ho start ye hye na obo wa won so yo bi e se oba ne ye nhwehwemu hwe se won so wo yare ni bi ana te no ne so anso a difference and that is inso ana se difference inso ye aha so ye ana bedase so ye wo mu no aha ntenya wa bi a wo bi a na eti wenya coronavirus and ase COVID-19 ada go kata flu influenza ya fofo ho a e ma yesa ebowa eno wo hodada ada bacterial infection so tima ebowa ananya pneumonia ni nyina wo hodada so ye wo mu no ne se e be wetu kwan aba imported cases case enye nyina omo ekwa amano ne e de baye aha nteno ene so ya ewo mu
Dr. Michael Osu yenhwa de you see I say gathering ne sane many na yenjai adwadifu edidwa wodwom eni ayetwaduane die what do we do
gathering ni die ehun hia maye na emi dese president otimi eka sansem wi anka oche kakra anka be haye
I see
if you say yare no obroni classify no 2 levels first one yes obi di be free the crew at the bebro second one is wakasankasa ye ti o memu nanka ye de be maye ho na Ghana no ye nyendru baby a yetimi de maye ho a obroni fa no community transmission e ho na ehu no enti dede a ye nyina ne se ye mpese be dru baby a ti se de na yankasa na edru ya de maye ho e ba ne sa na so ano a na ye din and this was 6 ni nyina no obi free abuchiri and ode bae dia na chese wo se utimi eye ne obetimi aye obebo man no na ehwehwemu niema bebresi no se Ghana na nyame adom ye se yare na acha ase wa ha se bibisha ase free so a wo so obi tro bi kana so no dikan a eye na ohun so defense so owi ohun na se on the China for ni bre if se tam e bae no mu hu se dia yare ne tifa nyame ya adoma ma yetimi study o man ni bebre nti enim niema e ma yare ne spread ade ba ko ma ne spread pa yes a gathering ni pekuo unim ya nkasa ya santi memu ha eyie ba e wo so chia obi a kokositri ukwa sorry e wo so chia obi a kokositri se bi kremu ukosoma na mu nyina mu abo am ho ano ubehwe no bi bo wa no hwe wanim na so ahwe nanim ubekọ na so bo wa enti sa niema we ye niema e ma yare no sa yare particular we etimi increase baby this Malaysia say almost static numbers kakra bi be around 60s Andre ya Malaysia cases na ko be 109 eba ne sen nkremofo be 16,000 ekoko ye osom omu wi osom no omu monitor omu after week no na omu nyina start afi asa niema no ya jinsem Korea so sa asori ya Korea for case pan if asori no omu almost about 2,500 members na sorry so for no na asa omu hye dan gi sa niema ni ndi wo corona de enye ye dia ebia na ye nkrofo bi dia ye ndie ye wo gidie ye so sa niema ne so na members na bi ye wo bi na omu ne omu tete omu ni bo omu so no na asori na ba be ye sport a afi yare ne spread enti se gathering si ne president aye no ya de wo se ye nyina itimi boa se ya mboa o man na ebedru ba bi a on hwe abaye den and there be a make us all kun yare at this will be all call one call kun near here you two new precautions I was of Horonsa sanitizers. Obias no horn moko kun usru. Enti na menu abaneka se enise yesru and this obiaka se yebewu obi ani ho babewu yare na nkasa wa about 90% recovery. It is a nipa 100 nya 90 of them no mal they said they wonya kata as a wow be recover 10% na ewom na ebeye severe no omo no na sese aye kom ho asem no one life kura wu a ye mpese nipa ba kokura wu
in the probability say wunya bia ohun be ebesan kono ye
very high inti enya dia ehu sa would way to Ebola ho Ebola na ye 80% fatality inti Ebola ni nipa 100 nya 80 bewu no crano as Africa ufa mine miensa Guinea, Sierra Leone and Liberia nipa 11,000 a year and you compare to near above yenya free COVID is almost 6,000 now yenya ndru ho hwe COVID that transfer owiase nyina na se nipa 6,000 na se Ebola eba o mine miensa so na se nipa 11,000 na e kire o se odi tutu ho a yare we ya de a yetimi ye ne e wose ye ya ye betia soso ano enti ye hia kokuduro ene ye hia se ye niema na ye no ye be chiachia ne be ye betimi asoso ano na etimi agai na Ghana ha ne enti a ye san ebo hu dewuro ni se ufa Ghana bebe de se kofa no chi say almost every month no when ya almost 20,000 nipa baba hospital when Ghana hospital pra your problems be breed cholera malaria, typhoid, hypertension, they be a nipa hospital. Into your hospital system, nankasano, stress, your doctors are your one nankasano, or musa, your nurses in the crown or muso ye. Into say, so ye near mano, nasi assigned the wa na fi into me who may see a coffee BSU Hunanoa, Oberbanam Pakura or Bedasuno, when you be. And as Nema we so buy a banasana or more, Ubi Hormano when the asthma did that. Asthma no, and your coronavirus, it be an asthma na cano. Afi oba obeba na ewunya baby fana fe nipa no toto enti o manani abrese ye masa de no embeka ye system na eyo over already stretch no enti na ye ni abre ye wo se ne president akabia no yetimi so mbie ne yetimi de bo man no
abisa for ye ne nimdifo doctors wo mu asuade no betimi aboa ye enyanti ase wo bright tese mu na edi nkombo osiado dike wa ha aja dike for me, what the mamen kono the directives. Obeka say, abano anamuntu aye to abidu sabre no. Eye, anase ya trawa maniema agency mwansa.
Yogo fi me da se mechia etie for mu agebrete. Mechia menhia mpanimfo ne UPP manyina. Ene de me bon tetew.
No.
Ku fi de wo mu say, aban atwentwen na ase kakra.
I see.
Because Saturday na mo Kesben TV directives aban de abano Saturday me de nyina egu akwam aban abeduru wakane de na emum say are any free outside na eba there as the approach no any concentration akoye inside and the airlines say baga na nyina o se ba na no ye hwe se wo meja ba.
I see.
Number 1 na ya tutu eboda na Germany mo matutu mbodem ya de no ko nanim said the doctor no kanu ba ye se what is o yonko aboje se ehia se nsuogu esiu de ho now wo hwe aban approach na akoye internal ba ya nso Ghana ni bia nya na originate here it is from bonten there ba there your borders your frontiers and also tackling ye se ba ya awonya kwama we Ghana ni kra no wabocha wonka ho unim say NDC for no mu pushi say yanko fa China for
Ghana for wa China
emkura mkofo mkrofo koye no omkura na nya yare no dodo eti ono abantwetwa na ase wonkofo mama na ye if it say sanke edom begu mu a kabana ba bia ka Ghana infections na dru no enka enye papa uhwe Italia omkofo mkrofo by Iran amani ade ama wo mu no enya asem papa eti NDC for you got it wrong. Say, Moka se chinchina abano enkofa enkrofo nemra. Afei Kofi, sa wo hwe aban dawura wo bono a enwe pesa enya consensus and the wider and the broader consultations. Unsa ya mamu ano Assemble near limited to young your party now by any but Yari when you this in MPP, any mobia. Korea, Domia and say, Omofre political leaders, every opinion, doctors are, Omuya expert, and they strategize. And Power Korea, share Tama escalate and say, yeah, I wouldn't say, and Yama air coffin. Share, Kroma, Yariana, a woman when you're being in a
figures in there, my doctors and
Mr. Omenka figures.
Okay.
My patcher said, do one source on here outside the free buy. It's a buy, and I'm saying, I'm more crap, say, Kelly, Muneba.
Okay.
Your best row. Yeah, suspended by Bosome, near say, you bet you and Yan of Mr. Brown. And Yadia Bemo man lose so much. I've worked $100 million, but we don't see tangibles within. Say, and as a private Kofias and the Bamway, Yamusamudi Siwa, Moya running water a year, Sabu, Yade Horiensa. Sadiano, I was saying, you Miami Abibri,
Kakrum, Central Business District, and this
say, Yankan was in Bia. I also a mass garden Cassiapa, VIP a concrime. And if I have from you're free and Yatutum and Yunum. Yes, I want to cross. Doctor say, baby, who you know, and I just added it.
Kakra half.
More technical.
We are much
more technical. Yes, baby, VIP a tuto and Pumemu. And Yenashim. And a Yabo Wakro. Cosenia tangibles, we say VIP. Yes, Prem. Trotro, yes, Prem. And the sign your man on public installations. You know, yeah, we need to feel it.
Is a hand sanitizer scrape?
I said, $100 million. At that demo, I say, $150 million.
And a program frame, baby, so Monco Pibing, almost say,
and as a president, by announcement, and I take a canna. I'll say, yeah, you want me to say, Bibi, Koso, ya Braboma, for Trotra, yes, Prim.
But I think that this thing there should be a price control.
Massa. Price control bien baby. I ban also come
out on this name.
I stock one and officer the pesca. But Sabaya crab brabe gum and I yet tell you free. One in Kakabaneka. What $100 million there? Why do we sit on the $100 million at the ano if you are a consia? Why are you better a druid or Cheneko? Eti Abang, yes, so yes, I'm say. Bomodianes kind of work channel.
Okay.
Me patron more cases here. Kind work channel. Utilizing judiciously. Now you tangibles. I've a letter commission say or go ahead no registration. Mamino. Unyana semen to cry. A letter commission is to me in call a punko said my way that.
Studio, Dr. Michael Usu, lecturer, researcher, or Department of Medical Diagnosis, Director of Center for Health, or Asante Mantem, Dr. Augustina Silvaken, lecturer, Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology Research Scientist, KNUST, or more. My dear, Momoye na yenya this understanding. Dr. Augustina say, "Ubi, now the nsaka aduane a prepare mu a wudi a ebetima yo
David
ebintime nyo nti enam monten so aye aduane wona a krokro aduane o moton o kan ho are we to be concerned?
Well, the only a precaution I'll be taking is making sure say aduane no ehye.
Okay.
Because again, we don't even know what heat will do to the virus.
Okay.
Who says send a kind of way a new virus?
But
say at least as for eating hot food, it is always recommended.
I see. Dr. Michael, see I'm in saying more educated from head to toe as we walk out, as we are in the house. A day any day na yenye yemfamo ye ho ban.
Me gidi say precautions dey aka bebre. Said the menu aba kan no hohoro nsa no e ade ehu hia ye. Na we use alcohol based gel nsa e ade ehu hia ye. Na we make sure say we so be educate omo ban wo. Eno so e ade ehu hia ye. Me no e na me pese me sisu pi say e wo say ye ne aban no nipa Ghana for ye ne omo collaborate directives na aban dey aban no ye nsom. If you say, for instance, a banner banning large gathering, and so we say 1 man church, only the and a banning no dinechi, ukasa wa bane a obeye ubi honum akremu ukasa bo onu so beye ukasa inti say your man ye difficult ma by na wan hwe ya na yesoso anu na beye din Iran for cases say omunya ne say cases ne shoot because directive are binding mano omuntie inti na e was some deploy military say military in court to enforce directives of government inti collaboration solidarity with the government to ensure say near abane ye de nyina betimi ayesa no e ade a mefi say ye ya betimi aboa empa
Chobas joint base samia mieri nyina no omo a patronize omo nya den
ya ka se wo choba ni baby a pe Veronica bucket so Veronica bucket no pipe bi wa no ha inti obi ampe binsi ni shop na no na pe alcohol hand sanitizer nipa ni urema man enfa bi fan sana so na ba betranse uwia na so kwa man nyusu bi nti ya de a chobas ni nyina wo so mo make sure se sa ne man nyina no ombetimi install aduane de enya bi mfirimu na said their menu abaka na yegusu esua ne ma bi free virus no you cry nim say virus no kra na ejanan ebitimi wo ejanan mu countries bi no mehu say o test nipa di bi ejanan hu say emoni bi wo ejanan mu na Ghana ha no so wo bo ejanan din a big problem if you say sanitation ye ntimi so ano once ko toilet inti a whole big issue but sa ejanayo se ade a obo woni nyina no hygienic practice ade etimi mani nyina so te enti sa oto aduane na se nkrofo ba ho no ma e wo se wotwu adwisi so se niema we na wo se nipa ne ye ma no hohoro ne nsa na ma no fa bi fa ne se no be transit bebi obe trankwa ma nhwe na nipa ne embebo mo anu bebre se omu nyina group obetimi atiche omu na se distance kakra bo mu a ade a ebebo
some breakfast COVID in Spain. It started like this as it is in Ghana now. Now Spain has about 7,700 affected cases, 2,292 deaths recorded out of the total numbers. Wow. 7,700 recorded cases out of the 292. Wow, that's serious. Anyway. Observe mamen country was Kumasi City Mall and the Okoha the Bibia Guaquemu all the precautionary measures Gunaquemu I beat me abo huban yes near Menina Danaquemu Bosha Esho in Ansa Branabe shopping Ubebano maybe Bia Eddie so Fiem Yuni and I anemo anante Ibusua S7 Kumasi City Mall. What does 70 years mean to you? Old and past its prime. For us at Graphic, it's a celebration of 7 decades of excellence, rich experience with great achievement. Nyansa graphic communication, 70 years. There radiasi, Igusua Eddie accuracy, Bremo. Vodafone say and Kancho say star 700 hash. The order enjoy too much of data. And inti just 10 Ghana cedis benya 1.5 gigabyte of data valid for 15 days. 20 Ghana cedis benya 4 gigabyte of data valid for 1 month. And then you just dial star 700 hash and enjoy it. Pacho eduane beye dane Maggi mpoto jollof okru stew tomato ni nyina tomato stew bibia Maggi mo onko 1 Ghana cedis per ubenya 5 tablets of Maggi na wait me and so I enjoy and then you have damu nyina nso ase high sense say yanka cheti for ye de promotion guso akoso 26 Akukosi on the 8th of April. The durable, energy efficient, super chills, noiseless and elegant on air conditioned BBR 5 years manufacturer defect warranty and a day Emma war deep freezers ice chest nina high sense the mouth but the emphasis is here air conditions no a born that form for 0302 550000 terms and conditions applied. Uba Kumasi City Mall, Kumasi Edumkufo Clinic, and name ya nyina onsa ebekayen. Dr. Augustina, Pepacho, my last word. Sorry.
My last word and they say yen hohoro yen saye baby a nipa bebre shia yen pese se as Endra Spain almost say they want to redefine what a crowd is. Okay. They are going to limit it to nipa 5.
Okay.
Nipa 5 a crowd. Into I don't think we want to get there. Yempese Ghana, Yabeka Che and say Nipa 5 is here a crowd. Intima Nipa 5 in here. Countries are closing their borders. Into the death numbers are rising. But Yempese Yebedusa inti mesel ubowa fa a tissue paper. Bo wani gum wu sneezia ana wu hwenzia fa kwa wonsa wa na sneezy ana bo wagum hohoro wonsa ye wo hohoro wonsa na hohoro wonsa fa semina eni nsuo a eye clean fa hohoro wonsa na fa hand sanitizer eno so fa wonsa ho na me sure say ye yes an ya because senior endra president kayen we are in difficult times. Say we difficult times mo we need pragmatic unusual efforts, stringent rules and regulations say adhere to enable us overcome what we have now, because numbers in Russia countries be increase exponentially. Inti ende ebi omuwo too ade bechi no mwedu baby a chese ebe yehu and me sure say Ghana yempese yebedu sa inti na yeman ye decide say sa enyoman a endra president kan ho asem ye say ye nyina ye bo aban na wo ankasa so wo bo aban because ansha aban ontumi mbrɛ hand sanitizer but wo betumi atowa de and na almost omoton hand sanitizers no mo increase no we ye friend no exploitation enye yesremu a momma obia nya binto ame ye sa ye betumi esi aboane ho ekwan.
Report coming in is Liberia or more EPA boss, Environmental Protection Agency boss, or the be a free Switzerland abo man in Tamoma record or first case. Nti Ketwana Memnakesi and Ovi. Okay, la final comment. Just
yes, sorry. Outside the free. Nti about the airlines international flights na buying enkodwa me no say why am bibi say omunya eba. Na yentimi en contain no e Ghana na fe so 100 million no aban fanya bibi ma yehu afa yadua ne sem because sell e kodu lockdown situation said the no e di free Spain ba say started enketenkete sisia no e kodu lockdown situation no a obi nko bi ma aduane e be die so be problem it for now Sanyama when us are concentrating. Say a man from free outside the mewrem. Ella said, "Now, munyai." Now, for internally, no, 100 million on you su. Now, you be a short order sonante. Sab by banana, I see a spring. Any VIP nominee Sano man. You won't tangible now at least said the number can run water basin. Yeah, Veronica. I was saying, Mia baby, Kadumbi is a bonnet, Uka no ronsa, say what you be, Uka no ronsa, now Oko, about what my own say, at least, Oyen and Ebano, I buy as you know, better TV super casa we, na young rush in Biadia, coffee, na quite an buy, it's a buy, yeah, con Yariano, yeah, food, reservations are, because we named that. Yare no eto betwa enu no say operation video yourself for champion de ba mrebi no enu obedi kran ya sate akomfom na obi akọ prepare baby at least we be duane man kakra because you to rely on foreign foods again.
Thank you.
Na
Dr. Michael Owusu, final comment.
Ni America to aso ne say ye di 6 March enche 6 March Independence Day. Ade amesra Ghana for ne say we enye MPP ena enye NDC ena enye CPP aya okon a ewo se nyina yeko nti menhwe onu anim na yare abenti ade e wo so to no 5 cedis no na de command 20 cedis wan hwe ya na ukun nua no se ya nyina ya mfa ye ho ambom na se ya nkwenti yare ya wan hwe na yare no akwenti ya ye nti mesre se directives of president de buy no sorry no aye mosque large gatherings niema wakani nyina no yentimi ani aban na enya adwekro na make sure say betimi edisu na yetimi asave ye enya ye nkwa ye ho ye ne ye mma ene omo anya wo mu no Ghana na timi abaye baby a obi aba na ni baje.
Anopay we're joined by Dr. Augustina Severiken, lecturer, Department of Theoretical and Applied Biology Research Scientist, KNUST. Sanso na yene Dr. Michael Owusu, lecturer researcher at the Department of Medical Diagnosis and Director of Center for Health. Kwasiado Dike enso beka ye ho. Medi di aduanaba Kofi Asante on behalf of the team. Mama, good morning. Wishing me am sofo very Reverend Kwaku adu say a champon speedy recovery and no accident unyaye. Sports team at the more